Let's addition item number 1.
May I please, your lordship? Unless the representation given by the petitioner to OP number 3 under annexure 4 for minimum benefits under the scheme is not being provided to him. That is at page 70.
Page 17, it is made to whom?
OP number 3, my lord.
Secretary Management Committee, CF and H scheme, Paradip Port.
My lord.
Okay, but this matter has already seen so many dates. Counsel petitioner prays for adjournment. Counsel prays for time to address the court. One of us may not be a member. Okay, this way. Already, I need support direction. Had the submission of Sri Raut, learned counsel for the petitioner. Somebody appears for
I'm
there. So, what is you have appeared when?
My lord, I have appeared on 6/2/2022.
6/2.
Okay.
So, you have got the copy of the brief?
Yes, yes, ma'am.
What is your answer? What decision you have taken on annexure 4?
As it seems, my lord, annexure 4 is pending, but only one thing I point out, he's seeking.
No, don't go on merit.
My lord, annexure
Have
4
you
is.
taken any decision?
No, my lord, that I have to take.
Why have you not advised your client since you have appeared since February?
Yes, my lord.
Is it not your responsibility
Yes,
to ask the client
Yes,
what
Yes,
ultimately court will definitely ask this question?
Lordship, I'm sorry for that. Lordship may dispose of
Sorry
directing
won't
them
do.
to.
Sorry won't do. We have to discharge our
My lord.
responsibilities.
Yes, my lord.
By this time, result would have come.
Yes,
If he's agreed, he would have come in another read.
Yes,
Or else, if you have been supported, then he would not have been in High Court.
Yes, my lord.
Please
Lordship,
assist the court
Yes, my lord.
effectively.
Absolutely.
Not that you receive a brief and sit on that.
Lordship may say within a time frame, my lord, would dispose.
But we'll put a observation. The moment the copy has been served, you owe a responsibility to advise the client. Had the submission of Sri Raut, Learned Counsel, and Sri Ananda Prakash Das, counsel appearing for OP number 3, the contesting opposite party. Petition involved following prayer. Petition has already seen 3 proceedings in this court. Copy of the brief also has been served on Sri Das on his appearance for the contesting opposite party. On development, if any, on annexure 4, Sri Das makes a statement that for the tendency of the writ application, the authority is awaiting for an outcome in the writ petition to proceed in the matter further. This court observed, since there has been no development in the writ application, nothing prevents the competent authority in taking a lawful decision on annexure 4, be that as it may, and finding the annexure 4, representation of the petitioner by annexure 4 is still kept pending. This court, without expression of any opinion on the merit of the case, simply direct the contesting opposite party or number?
OP number 3, my lord.
3.
OP number 3 to bring a lawful outcome on the annexure 4 representation pending there. Okay. At least by bringing such an outcome in the involvement of the petitioner, at least within a period of 2 months from the date of communication of order, along with a copy of the writ application.
Obliged, man.
See, another aspect. Come to that annexure 4 end page.
My lord.
What is the date of representation?
My lord, 28/12/2021.
What are you doing for last 3 years? ଅଛି। ତ 21 ମସିହାରୁ ଇଏ appear କଲା ପରେ ବି ହଉନି। ଏଇଟା କଣ ଚିଫ ଜଷ୍ଟିସ ଙ୍କ କୋର୍ଟରେ ମେନସନ ହେଇକିରି ଆସିଥିଲା? Why there is a marking of honorable chief justice?
The Lordship has the order dated 28/10.
ହଁ ହେଇଥିଲା ବୋଧେ ଲିଷ୍ଟ କରିବାକୁ। ହଁ ସେ ଯଶବନ୍ତ ସିଂ ସାର୍ କହିଥିଲେ ଯେ କିଏ ଯାଇଛି
Item number 2,
Last occasion, your lordship is suggested to
Yes, item 2,
Bring
defect you have removed. What is the defect? Is there any major defect? What's defect number 7? Whether any other matter is pending in this court? I thought काटी देइछन all defects and ignore. Your husband?
yes, my lord. Last occasion, yes, I was last occasion, your lordship suggested to bring the demand draft of rupees 12 lakh. Then I had modified my prayer.
Just 1 minute, 1 minute. Both sides have already appeared.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, only installment compensation.
Okay.
Okay,
Installment.
then let us grant installment.
My lord, I have a small predicament in this matter. Actually, the DD has been given in the name of Ponda.
But just raise the mic to your mouth level.
My lord, I may pardon. Lord.
Yeah.
My lord, I have a small predicament in this matter. The DD has been made in this title Ponda, but
Okay.
my accounts and everything is there with the name Divedi because my father's name was Divedi.
Okay, then
So-
the draft is made,
Draft in the Sangita Pendas.
draft is Sangita Panda.
My lord.
Hmm.
That was the.
So I have orally requested.
You take it back.
Yes, my lord, I can.
Maybe
yes,
there will be little more
yes, ma'am,
investment
I
and you
can.
get it. So we are placing it day after tomorrow. Husband is there here.
Husband is at Delhi.
Koti,
Delhi.
Delhi.
He is in presidential duty.
ତ କାହିଁକି ତମେ ପଣ୍ଡା କଲେ ଆପଣ ଏଇଟା ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ ୟୁଟିଲାଇଜ
ତାଙ୍କ ବଡ ଭାଇ ଆସିଛନ୍ତି ସେ ଡିଡି କରିଛନ୍ତି ଆଉ ଆଫିଡେଭିଟ ବି ଆଇ ହାଭ ଅଲସୋ ଫାଇଲ ଟୁଡେ।
ନାଇଁ ମ ଆପଣ କଣ ଜାଣିନାହାନ୍ତି ଆପଣଙ୍କ ସ୍ତ୍ରୀଙ୍କର ନାଁ ଜାଣିନାହାନ୍ତି ଆପଣ ମାନେ ଆପଣଙ୍କ କ୍ଲାଏଣ୍ଟ ସ୍ତ୍ରୀଙ୍କ ନାଁ ଜାଣିନଥିଲେ ଫାର୍ଷ୍ଟ ଟାଇମ ପାଇଁ ଡ୍ରାଫ୍ଟ କଲେ ଆଉ ଜାଣିଥିଲେ ତ କଣ ୱେଷ୍ଟେଜ ଅଫ ଟାଇମ ଆଣ୍ଡ ମନି ଅଲସୋ କମିଶନ ଟା କିଏ ଏବେ ଦବ
କମେଣ୍ଟ ସେ ନେଇ କରିବେ ଆଉ ଥରେ
କଣ ୱେଷ୍ଟେଜ ଅଫ ଟାଇମ ନୁହଁ ଏଟା
ଆଉ ଥରେ କରିଦେବେ
ଆପଣ ଜାଣିଛନ୍ତି ତାଙ୍କ ଆକାଉଣ୍ଟ ତାଙ୍କ ନାଁରେ ତାଙ୍କର ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ ଆଧାର ଲିଙ୍କ ଆଧାରରେ ବାପାଙ୍କ ନାଁ
ନା ନା ମଝିରେ ଥର ସେୟା ହେଇଥିଲା ଦ୍ୱିବେଦୀରେ କରିଥିଲେ ପୁଣି ତାଙ୍କୁ ସେ କ୍ୟାନସେଲ କରି ପଣ୍ଡାରେ କରିଥିଲେ ଇନ କୋର୍ଟ ବିଲୋ
ବିକଜ ଆକାଉଣ୍ଟସ ଆର ଆଧାର ଲିଙ୍କ ଆପଣ ଡିଫକ୍ଟ ହେଇଯିବ ଥରେ ଯଦି ପଣ୍ଡା
ନା ଗୋଟେ ଆକାଉଣ୍ଟ ତାଙ୍କର ପଣ୍ଡା ଥିଲା ଥର ସେୟା ହେଇଥିଲା ଦ୍ୱିବେଦୀରେ କରିଥିଲେ ସେଥିପାଇଁ ପୁଣି ଚେଞ୍ଜ କରି ପଣ୍ଡା ହେଇଥିଲା ସେଥିପାଇଁ ଚେଞ୍ଜ କରିଦବା। Only 2-3 days.
2-3 days.
Yes, Lord.
So let us bring it on Friday.
Yes, Your Lord. Your Lord.
In the meantime, you get it so that we can dispose the matter on.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. I have also filed.
And you request the bank not to I mean the commission they should not charge it again. Cancellation ହବନି ନା reissue ହବ।
ଯାହା କରିବେ ଯାହା
Yes,
ନହେଲେ
you have
ସେ
made,
କଣ ମୁଁ ତାଙ୍କୁ କହିଥିଲି
right.
ସେ କଣ କଲେ ସେ ଫର୍ମ ଫିଲ ଅପ କରିଦେଲେ
ଆପଣ ଆକାଉଣ୍ଟ ପାଇଁ କେମିତି କଲେ ତାହେଲେ ଯୋଉ ନାଁରେ ଆକାଉଣ୍ଟ ନାହିଁ
ନା ଏ ନାଁରେ ବି ଥିଲା ଆକାଉଣ୍ଟ କାହିଁକି ନା ଇନ କୋର୍ଟ ବିଲୋ ଥରେ ଦ୍ୱିବେଦୀରେ
ଆପଣ
ଦିଆ
ଗୋଟେ
ହେଇଥିଲା
ଜିନିଷ ଥରେ କହିଲେ ଗୋଟେ ଟ୍ରାକ ରେ ଚାଲିଲା ଆଉ
ସେଇଟାରେ ହିଁ ରହିଯିବ।
ରହିଲା ଅଟକିଲା ସେଇଠି ଆଉ ଗଲା କୋର୍ଟ ହେଇପାରିବନି କି କିଛି କ୍ଲାଏଣ୍ଟ
ନା ଫଟୋଗ୍ରାଫି ଇନ ଦୂରଦର୍ଶନ
ତାଙ୍କ ଭାଇ ଏଠି ଅଛନ୍ତି ତିଆରି କରିଛନ୍ତି ଏ ଡ୍ରାଫ୍ଟ ଟା।
ଆଜ୍ଞା
Pursuant to order number 2, direction details. 17/8/23, appellant hearing files a bank draft bearing number 539090 dated 21/8/23. Though in the name of respondent herein, submission is advanced by the respondent counsel that the bank account in favor of the respondent runs in the name of Sangeeta
Dwivedi.
Dwivedi, the Bappa Dwivedi,
Right.
Sangeeta Dwivedi. Okay. It is in this view of the matter that is difficulty in replacement of such draft. Counsel for the petitioner at this stage submits the court for return of the draft for bringing in appropriate draft in favor of Sangeeta Dwivedi and seeks at least 2 days time for this said purpose. Okay, this matter is directed to be listed again on Friday. Let a fresh draft to the tune of 7 lakhs in the name of Sangeeta Dwivedi be মানে পুরা regular part ହେଲା okay ହେଲା yes all right a fresh draft be deposited in the name of so and so Sangeeta Dwivedi ପୁରା ଲେଖିବ ହେଲା Dwivedi spelling ଟା ଦେଖିଦବ cost title ଅଛି ତ ବାପାର ନାଁ by Thursday ଆଣିକି ଦେଇ ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ Friday list ହବ
ଆଜ୍ଞା
okay
ଟିକେ ଆଉଥରେ ଆପଣ ସ୍ପେଲିଂ ଟା ଚେକ୍ କରି ତାଙ୍କୁ ଦେଇ ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ you can contribute
Well,
there.
they already know because in the criminal proceeding they are a party and it is specifically mentioned. I
They
don't
are
have.
paying in Sangeeta Dwivedi's account.
Dwivedi.
Okay.
No, the husband also wants to be careful ସେ ବାହା ହେଇଯାଇଛି
ଆଜ୍ଞା
ବାହା ହେଇଗଲା ପରେ ପଣ୍ଡା ରହିଲା
ଆଜ୍ଞା
so obviously sometimes that impression goes ମୁଁ ଯଦି ତାକୁ ନ ଦଉଛି କାଲି ଆଉ କିଏ କଣ କହିବ so better ଆମେ order ରେ ଲେଖିଦେଲୁ
ଆଜ୍ଞା
ତାର actual name Sangeeta Dwivedi
Dwivedi.
so let him bring it ଆମେ ତାକୁ କରିଦବା ଦିଟା installment କରିଦେଇକି it may be mentioned here that the maiden name of respondent herein being Sangeeta Dwivedi, but her name came to be known as Sangeeta Panda as a marital name. Hello? Since bank account runs in the name of Sangeeta Dwivedi, draft need to be deposited, made and utilized in the name of Sangeeta Dwivedi. ତାପରେ ସେ ଯୋଉ ଡାଇରେକ୍ସନ ଟା ରହିଲା ମିସକେସ୍ ଟା ଆପଣ ନେଇ ଫାଇଲ କରିଦିଅନ୍ତୁ ସେ ତାହେଲେ ରେଜିଷ୍ଟର କରି ଆ ସାଙ୍ଗରେ ଦେଇଦେବେ
ଆଜ୍ଞା
ଅଭିଲାଷ
ଏଟାକୁ ଫେରେଇ ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ ଆମେ ଡ୍ରାଫ୍ଟ ରିସିଭ ହିଁ କରିନୁ ଓକେ
ଆଜ୍ଞା
Item 3,
ଆପଣ କିନ୍ତୁ ଅର୍ଡର ହେଇଥିଲା କେତେ ଟଙ୍କାର ଡ୍ରାଫ୍ଟ ଆଣିବା ପାଇଁ
12 ଲକ୍ଷ ଟଙ୍କା ହେଇଥିଲା but he could be
ଆପଣ
able
7
to
ଲକ୍ଷ
arrange
କାଇଁ
7 lakh
7 ଲକ୍ଷ କାହିଁକି ଆଣିଲେ
arrange କରିପାରିଲେ ନାହିଁ ସେଥିପାଇଁ ମୁଁ I have filed a
ହଉ
miscase
ଦେଖିବା ଠିକ ଅଛି
interim application ଦେଇଛି
item number 3,
ଆଉ ଶୁଣନ୍ତୁ then you also bring an affidavit ଆପଣଙ୍କର putting your term ଆମେ maximum ଆଉ 2ଟା installment ଦେଇପାରିବୁ
ମୁଁ ସେ ଆଇରେ ଲେଖିଛି ଆମର ଟୋଟାଲ 4ଟା ଇନଷ୍ଟଲମେଣ୍ଟ ଦେଲେ ମୁଁ
ନାଇଁ ବେଶୀ ଲିବର୍ଟି ଦେଇ ହବନି କାରଣ ସେ ବି ଇଣ୍ଟରେଷ୍ଟ ଲୁଜ କରିବ ନା therefore be
ଫୋର ଇନଷ୍ଟଲମେଣ୍ଟ ଓନ୍ଲି
right or else we have to add the interest also ଯଦି delay ହବ ତା ଉପରେ add କରିବା interest right be prepared for paying interest yes. Inform the
Item
client
3.
accordingly why should she lose interest only quantum aspect and installment only you are challenging
ନା 3
nothing else
as your rules
yes.
item 3,
I may please your lords. This is husband's appeal against order dated 24/3/2023 passed by the judge family.
Have you verified what is the delay
Delay, my lord, office has pointed out that there is no delay.
pardon
office has pointed out that there is no
There is
delay.
no delay. all
Yes,
right.
my lord, I may be permitted to not
Even
pay
though an
the
application is filed for condonation of bill, ଟିକେ ଖାଲି ଦେଖିଦବା judgment date ଟା କେତେ?
my lord.
24 March 23. You have filed on 17/5, so 2 ମାସ ଭିତରେ 3 ମାସ ଭିତରେ ଅଛି।
ଅଛି।
Right. ନେ ଆପଣ କଣ ଏଟା ମାନେ district court appeal ର ହିସାବ କରି କରିଦଉଛନ୍ତି ମାସେ କରି
ମାସେ କରିକି
କାହିଁକି High Court appeal ଟା ପରା? Right, all right. Even though there has been filing of IA 185 of 23 for condonation of delay, but for the stamp reporting and looking to the date of filing of appeal, date of judgment being 24th March 23, and the appeal since filed on 17/5/23, this court finds there is no delay. In fact, application stand drop, limitation application stand drop. Yes, now argue on appeal.
my lord, the prayer of the petitioner for under section 13 has been rejected by the court below. The appeal
13
was
by husband,
husband, my lord, appeal by husband.
that has been dismissed,
That has been dismissed, my lord.
dismissed.
Yes, my lord.
Ground of divorce,
Was desertion and cruelty.
desertion. କେବେ marriage ହେଲା?
Marriage April 2017. She was blessed with a daughter on 28/8/2018.
Date of desertion,
Desertion is after
date ଟା ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ।
28/8/2018, my lord.
28,
8/2018.
28 girl child was born.
Yes, my lord. Thereafter she
What is the date of desertion?
left the house of the
ନା ନାଇଁ provision ଟା?
again.
15 ପରା, section 15.
That is the pleading. Pleading is
Section 15 ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ। 15 family courts. Family courts act. You give your section 13. Desertion of 2 years na kona ta ache. Less than 2 years, so it is sufficient. 13(1)(b) ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ। Therefore, give your petition, let us see. ଆମେ admit କରିଦବୁ, it is not so much admission.
no, my lord. So,
ପଢିଲେ କି?
my lord, here there is
Marriage no, marriage
every
କି?
chance
ସେ
of settlement, my lord, because she is ready and willing to
ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ,
come.
ଆପଣ petition ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ।
She is ready to join the petitioner and the petitioner is also ready to accept her.
ଏଇଟା କେତେ ହେଲା? 1, 2, substantiate your case. Other cruelty is a issue can be considered, but ଆପଣଙ୍କର pleading ରେ there is no pleading at all.
My lord, so
ଆପଣ କେବଳ ପାରା 8 ରେ ଲେଖିଲେ so and so has gone to the respondent's house in the month of July 22 to bring back the respondent, and accordingly the persons who has gone to her parents' house and have persuaded the respondent to come back, but the respondent has not agreed to come back. So 22 re desertion. So 2 years hala kemiti?
my lord, it is August 2020. She left the house.
ଆପଣ
of the-
ତାମାନେ ଦେଖୁନାହାନ୍ତି sir. Lordship is asking that in your pleading you have said that on 2022 so and so date you went there and she did not come. And the language used in the statute is deserted.
She deserted.
So you are asserting separation. You are asserting separation,
Yes,
These
my
are two meanings.
but arguing desertion. There are two separate meaning. And also you mentioned that in 2022 we went and she did not come.
She went there, she tried to take
Therefore,
her back.
till July 22 there is no separation. Maybe you may since ଲେଖି ପକେଇଲେ କେମିତି? ତେଣୁ ଆମେ desertion ground ରେ admit କରିବୁନି.
Again, August 2020 ରେ ସେ କିନ୍ତୁ ପଳେଇଲା, left the house of the petitioner. That is the pleading. August 2020.
ଯଦି ପଳେଇଲା ଆପଣ ତାହେଲେ 22 ରେ ତା ଘରକୁ ଯାଇ କାହିଁ ଉଦ୍ୟମ
He
କରୁଥିଲେ?
attempted to take her back.
So therefore there is no desertion till that date. You are still hopeful she will come back.
And ସେଥିପାଇଁ there is an observation by the learned court that there is no petition for restitution.
That is there. But there is every likelihood of compromise, my lord, because she has also stated in her WS that she is
ଆପଣ
willing to
compromise ହେଲେ withdraw କରିଦେବେ.
pending ରହିଲେ।
ଆମକୁ କାହିଁ ଦାୟିତ୍ୱ ଦଉଛନ୍ତି? ଆଉ କଣ କିଛି କେସ୍ କମ ଅଛି କି ଏଠି? କହିବା ଦରକାର।
6 ବର୍ଷ 5 ବର୍ଷର ମ୍ୟାରେଜ ରେ ଡାଇଭୋର୍ସ କରିଦେବେ ପଳେଇବେ. What is this going on? What is this going on? Where is the minor child?
With the mother.
With the mother.
Yes, my lord.
ଆପଣ ଆରାମ ସେ ବୁଲିଲେ ବୁଲା ଷଣ୍ଢ
ଆଜ୍ଞା।
କାହିଁ ସ୍ତ୍ରୀଟାକୁ ଆଣିବାକୁ କାହିଁ
ସ୍ତ୍ରୀ ଝିଅ ସମସ୍ତଙ୍କୁ ଆଣିବାକୁ ଚାହୁଁଛି।
ଆଣିବାକୁ ଚାହୁଁଛନ୍ତି?
ଆଜ୍ଞା। That
That-
instruction I have received, my lord. If notice goes, then
So we record and place it immediately after the appearance of the wife.
if your lordship so desires, I have
So,
received instruction.
Even though I had the submission of Sri Mishra Learned Counsel for the petitioner, even though appeal is brought as against recusal of divorce attempt by the husband in the disposal of CP 39 of 22, the Mishra makes a clear statement indicating the husband is still interested to get back the wife and the minor child herein. It is keeping this in view. This court direct issuing notice in the appeal. Recuse is being filed by tomorrow. Notice be served on the respondent at least within 3 weeks, and matter be listed immediately, at least within 1 week after the expiry of appearance date for the wife. Hello. To know the mind will likhida, nothing likhivani question of admission. All right.
Aji.
We are hopeful you are maintaining that mind state.
Yes, ma'am.
Item 4.
My lord,
Item 4.
here in this case, the father of the petitioner started his career as agent and subsequently as freelance journalist under the management, that is Pragatibadi as correspondence. But in the judgment order under 33C2, page 25, my lords, the gratuity and telephonic dues and conveyance allowance which cannot.
1 minute. You are challenging which annexure order by
Annexure 1.
Annexure 1. That's a 33C2 order.
C2 order, how gratuity can be calculated, computed under that? A separate quote is there. The
Hmm.
PO doesn't accrue in right to consider it.
It is only gratuity.
Gratuity, telephonic dues and conveyance cannot be computed under
Pardon?
telephonic dues. In page 19,
Where is
25.
the application under 33C2?
Page 19.
Let us see the application for 33C2.
My lord, in the order it has been quoted.
No, please give us the copy. Why are you shying away?
No, I'm
Your
not.
management, you are challenging, you don't have the copy even.
I have not annexed the copy.
No, you might
Because-
not have annexed. You must have copy. Otherwise, how could you come to know that these are the pleadings?
My lord, there are previously also one.
Oh, sorry.
No. Miscase, yes.
This side, we don't digest these things. The council will challenge 33C2 order and will not have the copy of 33C2 petition even.
Here it is there.
ନା ଆପଣ ଏପର୍ଯ୍ୟନ୍ତ ଦେଖି ନାହାନ୍ତି
No,
ମୋତେ
I-
ସତ୍ୟ
Exactly.
very good. So we are withdrawing, we are permitting you to withdraw.
Oh.
Please bring a fresh writ petition after
Oh.
knowing the factual
No,
aspects.
my lords, I've gone through it. 2 days I am
We
suffering
had
from
the
illness.
submission of the non-learned counsel for the petitioner,
Only pray.
looking to the prayer involved herein and the nature of challenge, extent of challenge. This court wanted to see the copy of the 33C2 application to
I undertook to file by
the
tomorrow.
foundation involved in the adjudication process. Unfortunate to note that the council is not even having the 33C2 application. In the circumstance, this court find petition is not properly constituted
Uh,
and has been filed prematurely.
No, my lord, after judgment,
Yes, even in absence of getting into the 33C2 application. In the circumstance, this court permit the petitioner to withdraw the writ application to
What?
bring a proper writ application in the inclusion of the 33C2 application.
miscast notice is here, my lord.
Yes.
Item 5,
Item 5, my lord, on behalf of Mr. Das, my lord, his
Certified copy on oral request of the council, certified copy of the impugned order and so one return. Bring better writ application. ଅଛି. In the replacement of a photocopy thereof. ଅଛି, ଲେଖିଦେ.
item 5, my lord, on behalf of Mr. Das, my lord, his father-in-law has been admitted in hospital, my lord. I pray for next week, my lord.
Not admitted.
Has been admitted, my lord.
Huh?
His father-in-law has been admitted in
Oh,
hospital.
hospital, sorry.
Madam.
Acha.
I pray for,
Okay, କଣ ପାଇଁ ଯାଇଥିଲା? Notice ତ ହେଇଯାଇଛି.
my lord, notice.
Question of
my lord,
admission ହେଇଛି, maybe small issue involved.
my lord.
Okay, all right. 2 days after,
My lord, on 30th, my lord. On 30th, next week, 30th, my lord.
huh?
30th ତାରିଖ
30 ତାରିଖ ଏତେ ଦିନ କଣ କୋଉଠି ହସ୍ପିଟାଲରେ ଅଛନ୍ତି ବାପା?
my lord, ତାଙ୍କ cardiac ଟିକେ arrest ହେଇଛି.
କାର୍ଡିଆକ ହେଇଛି ଯେ ଆଉ ଆସିକି ନହେଲେ ଆଉ କିଏ କେସ୍ କରିବେ?
ଆପଣ ପ୍ରିପେୟାର ହେଇକି ଆସନ୍ତୁ କୋଉ କାର୍ଡିଆକ ଆରେଷ୍ଟ କହିଦେଲେଣି ସେ ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ କଣ ଦେଖୁଥିବେ ଟିଭିରେ କଣ ଭାବିବେ
କାର୍ଡିଆକ ଆରେଷ୍ଟ ହେଇଥିଲେ 10
ଗଲା।
ଦିନ ଜଣେ କାଇଁ ଅପେକ୍ଷା କରିବେ?
ତେଲ-
6 ଦିନ 7 ଦିନ କାଇଁ?
ସେ date, my lord.
ଗାଡି ତ ଗଲା ସରିଗଲା କଥା
ସରିଗଲା। ଓ ଆପଣ ଆଣ୍ଟିସିପେଟ କଲେଣି?
No, no,
You will be out of court.
no, my lord.
ସରି କାହିଁକି ଏଭଳି କି କରୁଛନ୍ତି ତାଙ୍କ ପାଇଁ? ସେ ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ ପଠେଇଛନ୍ତି ଆପଣ ସାହାଯ୍ୟ କରିବେ ବୋଲି। Therefore tomorrow come prepared.
My lord.
Friday କରିଦେନା। All right. On the ground of illness in the family of Sri Chand.
ନାଇଁ sir, ଚାନ୍ଦ ଅଛନ୍ତି
Sorry, Sri
management
Das.
My lord.
ସୁଶାନ୍ତ ଦାସ କ?
My lord.
ଠିକ ଅଛି ଆପଣ ପ୍ରିପେୟାର ହେଇକି ଆସନ୍ତୁ ନହେଲେ ତାଙ୍କର ବହୁତ ଅଛନ୍ତି ଭଲ ଟାଣୁଆ ଓକିଲ ଅଛନ୍ତି ତାଙ୍କର ହେଲା ହଁ ରେଡି ହେଇକି ଆସନ୍ତୁ ସ୍ମଲ ମ୍ୟାଟର ଆମେ ସେଥିପାଇଁ ଆଡମିସନ ନୋଟିସ ଇସ୍ୟୁ କରିଥିଲୁ ବୋଧେ ମ୍ୟାଟର ରିମାଣ୍ଡ ହବ
As your lordship.
Expiry order thila ki?
My lord,
Expiry order thila?
no expert order.
Tale
Contest.
issue notice of admission.
Only
କଣ ପାଇଁ
question
କରାଯାଏ?
only whether is a workman or not, that question.
Workman or not?
Only that
Okay,
is the-
that's why.
No,
Right.
southern matter.
Please, your
Item
lordship.
6,
Please, your lordship. Pursuant to the order dated 14/8, the IA at flag B has been filed to bring the real beneficiary as a opposite part number 4, my lord.
Party ଆଣିଲେ proper
ଆଜ୍ଞା।
party ଆଣିଲେ
ଆଜ୍ଞା ଆଜ୍ଞା
କାହାକୁ ଆଣିଲେ
ଯେ ଯାହା
ମିସକେସ୍ ଫାଇଲ୍ କରିଛନ୍ତି
this case IA flag B
okay all right
along with the consolidated cost
okay, this
item.
is miscase to bring in party to contest and likely to be affected on the ultimate outcome. Okay, application stand alone. Counsel for the petitioner is permitted to incorporate the new party as opposite party number 4 by handwriting incorporation. Oh, you have filed a fresh cost title.
Consolidated cost title.
Okay, since has already filed the consolidated cost titles, then maybe the brief may be reorganized. Okay, what is the matter now?
Your lordship, annexure thick page 33 was under challenge. There the application was filed by the LU OP3 treating the present OP4
Just 1 minute, don't run.
page
Are
33.
you in hurry?
No, no, man.
Page 33 is annexure
Sir,
6,
six.
we find it, but where is the certified copy?
Lordship is asking this and authenticated copy should have filed. Should have
Communicated copy টা ବି ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ ଅନ୍ତତଃ। ଏଇଟା କାଇଁ ଆପଣ ପାଖରେ ରଖି ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ।
ନାଇଁ ସେ ଭୁଲରେ ଫାଇଲ ନା ମାତ୍ର ଗୋଟେ
ହଁ।
ମେମୋ କରିଥିଲି ସରି ମ୍ୟାମ୍
ସେଣ୍ଟ୍ରାଲ ଗଭର୍ଣ୍ଣମେଣ୍ଟ କାଉନସିଲ ସବୁବେଳେ ରହିଲେ ରେଲୱେରେ ରହିଲେ
ନାଇଁ।
ଏଗୁଡାକ ତେଣୁ ସେଥିରେ ଦରକାର ହୁଏନି ସାର୍ଟିଫାଇଡ କପି ଫାଇଲ କରିବା ଅଭ୍ୟାସ ଗୋଟେ ଖରାପ ହେଇଗଲାଣି।
ନାଇଁ।
Yes, sir. Annexure 6 certified copy of Annexure 6 filed in court, kept on record. Yes, now what is your case?
page 633
It is under minimum wages act,
minimum wages act,
so there is no provision for appeal.
no provision of appeal.
What are you challenging?
Challenging a para 4 mechanism as the impugned order. Para 2 OP engaged. Para 2
Para 4?
para 2 statements. Para 2 the october.
Yes, para 2.
The OP has engaged the worker sweeping and cleaning activities while executing the work, executing building operation and maintenance activities of the banking service such and such. So the above work is coming under scheduled employment that I am not disputing. Para 4 inspection report dated 22/22. Para 4 it was mentioned the applicant is in course of inspection notice that one worker was engaged by the OP paid less entitlement wages, minimum wages. So here is the OP4, my lord. He was not never engaged by the present petitioner's bank. He was in the contract agreement for sweeping cleaning on square foot basis. This observation was made in para 7, our observation. During course of hearing, the management Indian Overseas Bank submitted that one date of filing of the present application under 22(2) minimum wages act said was such a para 8 not engaged. The OP further submitted that they have not engaged any workman named Sri Dilip Kumar Naik, the OP4, executing the work on the building operation and maintenance activities for the banking service which scheduled minimum wages has been fixed. By virtue of the notification,
How he has come to establish that?
but there is no document was filed.
No, he must have discussed.
Then you lords,
କେତେ ଟଙ୍କା ସମୁଦାୟ?
on total the years awarded on 42,000 42,396.
There is a recording that there has been payment of 39,000.
नहीं annexure 5 make लेगा for moment annexure 5
3,000 पे हमें उधर रीट काहे के entertain करिवो?
नहीं
You are a
worker
bank.
There is, it will be create difficult. It is a ramification of this. The
No, it will
contract-
not be a precedent, will observe.
see contract agreement, annexure 5 make for moment lordship.
Yes.
The contract agreement, annual contract agreement executed. Now he is the contractor. There is the square foot basis. He has been paid regularly. He is not an employee either before bank or through any contractor. No intermediary.
The amount is very meager.
They,
ହବ 39,000 ଦେଇଛନ୍ତି।
they,
39,000 ଦେଇଛନ୍ତି, total
ନାଇଁ,
42,000
ଦେଇନାହାନ୍ତି, that are awarded. That has been awarded, minimum budget ଟାକୁ award କରିଛନ୍ତି
I therefore award an amount of 3,000 as token of compensation.
compensation. Award
But he records
Huh.
minimum wages as per claim of application filed by the applicant 39,000 so and so plus 3,042 within.
man, the
So-
application filed by the OP3 LU during inspection. So the question of worker and employee or employee-employee relation.
We,
That's-
ଶୁଣନ୍ତୁ,
Mela.
this is a establishment.
Yes.
Now read court time will be wasted. And fees will be also paid to the councils.
Mela.
So how do one gain?
Because
We may maximum say this may not be creating a precedent.
one thing I may submit, my lord. All the bank branches, this type of agreement be executed. They are
Or we'll
working.
say-
So
We'll say point will be kept open.
that's whether the as per
Point
the
will be kept open and will be considered in appropriate case. 3,000 ପାଇଁ ଆମେ read ଗୋଟେ bank ପାଇଁ କାଇଁ entertain କରିବୁନି?
3,000 compensation, 39,000 the less wages they has calculated. The less
That is not the direction.
that
No, direction is only
my lordship. As
oh,
token of
along with.
along with
All right, issue notice.
on
Issue notice on the question of admission.
Para 10.
Yeah. Requisites be as undertaken be filed by day after tomorrow. This case, right? There shall be stay of impugned order subject to, however, petitioner making deposit of the awarded amount in this court at least within a period of 7 days. And a registry also directed on such amount being deposited. The same will be kept in fixed deposit in highest interest oriented in any nationalized bank with renewable clause, auto renewable clause. Yes.
obliged. Please.
Deposit that amount
Not-
within 7 days.
Sir-
It will be to the benefit of both
No,
sides.
that's I mean. Certified copy means so that we can.
तो ना लिखी दे
Oh, blessed.
जटेश्वर नायक
You are alone or with DSG, Mr. Naik?
My lord, CGC.
My lord is asking.
Central.
Along with, no.
DSC ଙ୍କ ସାଙ୍ଗରେ ଅଛନ୍ତି ନା ଏକଲା କରୁଛନ୍ତି ଏଇଟା କିଏ ଦି ଜଣ ପାଇବେ ନା ଜଣେ ପାଇବେ
ଦି ଜଣ।
ଦି ଜଣ।
ଦି ଜଣ।
କହିବେ ନା ସେଟା
CGC along with, DSG along with CGC.
yes
My
next.
lord, I will pay 2 weeks time to file the remove the defect. 2 weeks time to remove the defect, my lord.
ହାଁ?
I pay 2 weeks time to remove the defect, my lord.
Sir, କଣ ହେଲା? ହଁ, defect ଟା କଣ ଅଛି
Defect, my lord, certified copy not filed. I am under a misconception that it,
କପି ଫାଇଲ କରିନାହାନ୍ତି କାହିଁକି ଫାଇଲ
I am under a misconception that it is a communicated copy. But
କମ୍ୟୁନିକେଟେଡ କପି ଫାଇଲ
ଆପଣ-
ଆପଣଙ୍କ
ମାନେ-
ପାଖରେ ଥିଲେ ବି ଦେଇପାରିବେ।
after I checked that actually that was sent by the workman, not by the court. Therefore, I have again applied for the certified copy, my lord.
କେବେ ଫାଇଲ କଲେ ଏଟା
Again applied, my lord. I have not
ଆଠ
filed.
କରିଛନ୍ତି all right
2 weeks time.
Learned counsel for the petitioner undertakes to bring the certified copy of the impugned order କେତେ within 10 days
2 weeks, my lord. Jaipur ରୁ ଆସିବ 2 weeks Jaipur ରୁ ଆସିବ ତ postal ରୁ।
ଜୟପୁରରୁ ଆସିବ
ଆଜ୍ଞା ସେଠିକାର ଜଣେ କାହାକୁ contact କରିକି
within
ଆଣିବାକୁ
2
ପଡିବ।
weeks ହେଲା all right this court grants 2 weeks time for bringing the certified copy and direct the registry to list only after filing of the certified copy of the impugned order annexure to workman file করছি
No, we have management filed against.
For order item 8.
मैनेजमेंट को भी गोटे कॉपी सर्विस हुए यस कौन एटा करेक्शन ऑफ ऑर्डर अछि यस व्हाट इज द करेक्शन हमर लिस्ट इज की
Yes.
कोर्ट मास्टर
It has been listed from the office side. It has been listed from the court side. For correction of the.
हमर अछि कौन अछि Oh, yes, all right. Se कौन है There's no doubt that there is huge loss in the subject of permitting the wife given to leave for such amount however without prejudice to her rights and order that next para they mistake. The learned judge finally put involved in the meantime to submit in the event such a way such a heavy amount came to be deposited in this court in such what happened to all such persons in at least reporting the High Court for requiring the direction of the High Court for approval. Yes, all right. Corrections, it has word this taken out and replaced by word such inverted comma. Then same line, it has page 2, third line. Page 2 of order dated 14/8/23. Third line, a person, word persons deleted and replaced by deposit. All such deposits. Yes. This was a listing from the court side, finding there has been some typographical raised. And I'm finding some typographical errors in the order dated, so and so. So corrections incorporated as follows. Right. Thila typographical error thila. Either say এটা ଅଛି পেন্ডিং ଅଛି সেটা যেহেতু পেন্ডিং ଅଛି ଆମେ তো নেক্সট ଟଙ୍କା ନେଇ ଯାଉନାହାନ୍ତି କାହିଁକି ଆପଣ?
I am taking steps.
ହଁ ଟଙ୍କା କାହିଁ ରଖିଛନ୍ତି ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ ପଇସାଟା ଆପଣ ପାଇଲେନି ଅଣ୍ଡର ପ୍ରୋଟେଷ୍ଟ ନେଇଯାଇଥିଲେ ଆଜି ସେ ଟଙ୍କା ହେଲାଣି କେବେ 9 ମସିହା 14 ବର୍ଷ
That I am.
you can't ask the man even to pay you. Yes, next.
Item 9.
I beg your lordship's permission to appear through BC, your lordship.
Yes.
Second copy of the defects are there. Second copy of the IA.
ଦେଇଛନ୍ତି ଆଜି?
Aji Devi.
All right.
And may I pray, my lord, today the matter has been posted before OERC for execution. In this case, my lord, page 11, the annexure 1 is under challenge, my lord.
Admit ହେଇନି?
Admit ହେଇନି. I was suffering from
defect remove after summer vacation. But what is the challenge here?
I mean, order passed by the ombudsman, electricity ombudsman Bhubaneswar.
You are consumer. No, you are the distributor.
I am the distribution supplier, my lord. Electricity distribution licensee.
Okay, what are you challenging?
And annexure 1, page 11. The order passed by the electricity ombudsman.
कौन challenge କରୁଛନ୍ତି? Ombudsman order.
Ombudsman order. Case factual aspect is that, your lordship. Lord, electricity pole was erected 20 years back nearer to the premises of the opposite party.
What is that order you are challenging here?
Page 11, your
There must be
lordship.
some inconvenience in the fixation of the pole. Pole
Yes,
ଟା
my
ଉଠେଇବା
lord.
ପାଇଁ order ହେଲା ଆପଣ ଆସିଲେ ହାଇକୋର୍ଟ କଣ what is your inconvenience?
My lord, the inconvenience which petitioner, my lord, your lord, I may take your lordship to running page 30 of the annexure 7, my lord.
ଆପଣ તે order ଟା ପଢିବେ କି? My lord has been
Yes, my
asking
lord.
you that
Yes,
how
yes,
you are
my lord.
agreed by that order at running page 13.
Yes, my lord. In view of the above facts and
Mahanti,
circumstances,
you
after
must have also
examining the-
marked that indiscriminate this siting of these substations everywhere throughout the city, any city. And these have become also the obstruction for the traffic. That ombudsman and the GRF they are not competent to decide. High Court on what ground we can interfere? That is the question.
And it is in confirmation of the GRF order.
Yes.
Modification, my little modification has been made, and present petitioners have been directed to.
So you
provide
say what is your inconvenience?
My lord.
We find there is an inconvenience to the consumer.
Yes, my lord.
So therefore, we don't entertain such petitions.
It was nearer to the premises of the petition.
You find out what will be the convenience. We are not there to suggest. You find out where it will be convenience.
The learned ombudsman has directed. My humble contention before this honorable court is, my lord, opposite party is not a consumer.
May
It's
not
not
be.
he is. Despite of not being a consumer,
ସବୁବେଳେ
he
କଣ
has
ଖାଲି
electricity ନାହିଁ
ସେ consumer ନୁହନ୍ତି ଜମା।
In today's world there is no
ସେ
electricity.
ନାହିଁ ଜମା consumer ନୁହଁ ଚଳୁଛି କେମିତି ମ?
so far as
He
consumer
may not be a
capacity
consumer to that pole, you may say, but he is a consumer to electricity, definitely.
in that capacity they have not filed before the
No,
GRF.
forget that. These are too much technical issues.
And that apart, there is a circular, my lord, page 30.
And add the submission of learned counsel for the petitioner. Where is the ombudsman order, annexure?
Annexure 11, annexure 1, page 11, your lordship.
No, where is the GRF order?
GRF order is, my lord. Page 18, my lord.
Page 18, it ends at?
Page 18, my lord.
Yes, in the consideration of the grievance of the consumer, creating danger to the inhabitants, including the petitioner, undisputedly a consumer of electricity. The GRF in the disposal of the case number 250 of 21 came to observe as follows. Keeping in view the nature of allegation and oblique grievance brought in by the consumer herein, and an appeal being preferred against the GRF order, court corruption, GRF order ta page hochi. देखियो एटी फोल्ड करूची GRF order एटी पेज नंबर में हाँ मे बी सेटा 24 होगा नहीं तो 26 रु आरंभ होला ये अच्छी फोल्ड कर दो सॉरी GRF order तारा बिफोर annexure 4 अछि annexure 4 रे भी 26 लिखले annexure डेटा GRF रो order टा ये भी 26 आरंभ होला इफेक्टिव अछि
Annexure 3, my lord.
In the GRF order देखी करवा. Okay, an appeal being preferred on consideration by the ombudsman, who appears to be a technical person, has come to observe as follows. Page 13 orders the court. Yes, it is considering the grounds taken in the application and the submission made herein. This court finds there is no inconvenience or prejudice to the distributor herein in the shifting of the pole mounted substation situated in front of the house of the petitioner, even on his private plot to the corner of the house of the petitioner. Private
Adjacent plot.
This court, for the above reason, find no reason to entertain such writ application, which is dismissed faculty. ସିଏ ଗୋଟେ ଟେକ୍ନିକାଲ ବଡି ରିଏଲାଇଜ କଲେ ଯେ ସେଠି ଘରଟାକୁ ଡେଞ୍ଜର ଆସୁଛି ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ ଟେକ୍ନିକାଲ ସୁପର ଟେକ୍ନିକାଲ ବଡି ସେ କହୁଛନ୍ତି ଯେ ନାଇଁ ଏଟା ରହିଲେ ଡେଞ୍ଜର ହଉଛି ତେଣୁ ଘୁଞ୍ଚେଇ ଦବାକୁ କହୁଛନ୍ତି ଆପଣ ଘୁଞ୍ଚେଇ ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ ନିୟର ବାଇ ପ୍ଲେସ କୋଉଠି ଅଛି
Respectfully submitting, my lord, before construction of that house, the electricity pole is
ଆପଣ ଆସିଥିଲେ ଆମେ ଜାଣୁଛୁ ଆଜ୍ଞା ଆପଣ ଇଲେକ୍ଟ୍ରିସିଟି କୋ ପୁରାଣା ଏକଦମ 300 ବର୍ଷ ତଳେ ଆଣିକି ସେଠି ଟ୍ରାନ୍ସଫର୍ମର ଥୋଇଛନ୍ତି ये लोक पछरे आसिले घर कले आपण ता मना कलेनी इटी बाबा घर करनी ताकू से जगहटा आपण एक्वायर कर देकी ताकू आउट कोठी थैथान कलेनी आ ता जगह से छाडी
since the opposite party is not
तार
a
प्राइवेट
consumer,
लैंड ता से घर करियोनी से घर करि
cost टा खाली shifting cost टा तांको ऊपर
काई कॉस्ट तांको ऊपर काई के होबो
section 37 is when asuna
ए छाडन आपण कॉस्ट करंतु
order that is the
no you can't put people to cost it is not for his convenience if you take that ground then we will also observe in that way you are a public body now you can't spend 4 lakhs or 3 lakhs or 5 lakhs of some of rupees you will ask the consumer to pay for it थिला हाँ को दिन थिला घर नथिला आपण बसई देले सिटी ट्रांसफार्मर जान देखियो सिंधी केते डेंजर पोजीशन रे अछि एठी
No, you see, I
With
mean,
the cost of the TP on a DL. Last.
correct, that is the order instruction. ମୁଁ ସେଥିପାଇଁ refund କଥା ପଚାରୁଛି. Just mark that order
My lord,
at
Yes, sir.
internal page 2
my lord.
to pass respondent for refund of rupees 1,180. Roman
Yes, sir.
4 to pass such order to respondent for refund of unutilized balance amount of 12,000.
My lord.
So what is that? Upon the
That is-
respondent. And
that
that
is-
order has not been granted. That prayer has not been granted.
So the 12,000 is written by you.
13,000 ଟଙ୍କା.
13,000 ଟଙ୍କା ଆପଣ ରଖିଛନ୍ତି
13,180 ଟଙ୍କା.
ଆଚ୍ଛା କରନ୍ତୁ public service କିଛି
You
ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ
should ask these questions, sir, to your client. ଆପଣ
ସେଟାକୁ-
13,180 ପରେ ବାକି ଯାହା ଖର୍ଚ୍ଚ ହଉଛି ତାକୁ ଆପଣ କରିବେ, ନହେଲେ ଆପଣ ଯାହା କଲେଣି ତ ସେ ତାର ଜାଗା ବାଡି ବିକି ପଳେଇବାଟା ଭାବିବ ସେ ଯେ ଆପଣ 5 ଲକ୍ଷ
ନେଇଯାଆନ୍ତୁ ଆକ୍ୱାର କରିଦିଅନ୍ତୁ ତା ଜାଗାକୁ ତା ଘର ଜାଗାର ମୂଲ୍ୟ ଦେଇ ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ ସେଟା ଶସ୍ତା ହେଇପାରେ ଆପଣଙ୍କ ପାଇଁ
See, other cases, this honorable court has observed, my lord,
forget that
rule 3 of work license.
forget that yes.
Item 10,
May I please? The petition is the wife. I challenge the order of section 9.
What is defect number 9? Synopsis and dates are not filed. କାଇଁ ଫାଇଲ କରୁନାହାନ୍ତି appeal ଟା ଫାଇଲ କଲେ ଏଗୁଡାକ appeal ରେ କାଇଁ synopsis date chart କହନ୍ତି appeal yeah bring the date chart okay all right what is the appeal appeal admit ହେଲାଣି କି
Admit here.
as undertaken the synopsis and date chart will be brought within 3 working days. What is the appeal?
Section 9 challenge, section 9 petition of
Section
wife.
9
My-
rejected or allowed?
Allowed.
Allowed.
Petition is the
Who
wife.
are you?
Wife, my lord.
Wife.
My initially petition was also ready to go.
What is the scope of execution in such matters?
Well, in the petitioner was ready to go, my lord. Your lordship, see, myself also, my brother also admit that we are willing to go. Your lordship pays subsequently after the judgment, your lordship action of the petitioner, your lordship pays 37 million. For which I have filed another FIR, my lord.
Page 37.
My lord. Judgment was passed.
Judgment କେବେ ହେଲା?
4/11.
ରୁହନ୍ତୁ judgment କେବେ ହେଲା 28 ପେଜ ରେ
4/11, my lord.
judgment 4/11 ହଁ 4/11 22
4/11,
हाँ.
no? Subsequent 24/11 petitioner husband came to the house of the wife, my lord, and therefore
What happened to that FIR?
FIR was pending, my lord.
No FIR registered or not?
Registered, my lord.
Registered.
My lord. PS case number, Puruna with the PS case number.
But now question is, can that be a ground to interfere in the order earlier passed?
And this is the predicament, my
You
lord.
can raise this ground in the execution. You can raise this ground that, sir, this is the situation, therefore this has to be taken into account in execution. We are not executing here.
No, that is not.
So why
This is the judgment is also.
we observe,
This is the judgment also. Predicament is also like this.
ଆଉ ଏ ଭିତରେ 13 file ହେଇନି?
Na file.
But section 9 is always the intention to bring
Yes,
13.
Section 13. Yes,
And now you have filed this FIR.
Yes.
So we keep it open. If it is raised in the execution, it will be taken into account. It is never executable. Listen.
Yes, sir.
ସେ କଣ କହିବେ IIC ଅମୁକ ଥାନାର ତାକୁ ନେଇକି ତା ଘରେ ଛାଡିକି
Yes,
ଆସିବ?
file education case.
So therefore, he may file.
My
These are all attempts
Yes,
to
cannot be executable.
give a passage to section 13.
Only, yes. That is
So
the
you
only.
raise your objection, this objection. You raise this objection in the execution, sir, this can't be executed under this situation. I'm not agreeable to go.
Yes, that is our predicament. That is also, judgment is also clear, my lord.
See, otherwise also, it's fundamental.
Yes.
We are in appeal.
Right.
We are in appeal. So in an appeal, what we'll be considering?
Expect
Matters already on record.
record. That is not on the record.
So therefore, if it is a
Subsequent cause of
case,
action.
then additional evidence may come. It is additional evidence was copy in section 9 completely adjudicated. And this is additional evidence kothire asibo. Additional evidence asibo on a matter, though available, could not be taken up in the course of the trial.
It is
It's
subsequent
not
cause
a
of-
matter, no, even available in the course of trial. So this
Subsequent cause
cannot
of
come
action.
even within the trap of additional evidence. So ଆମେ ଏଇ ground ରେ ଏଥିରେ entertain ବି କରିବିନି ଆପଣ
Judgment
withdraw
ରେ-
କରିଦିଅନ୍ତୁ।
Judgment ରେ ମଧ୍ୟ interfere କରିଛନ୍ତି ସେଇ aspect section.
କହନ୍ତୁ କଣ କରିବେ ଆପଣ କୁହନ୍ତୁ ଆପଣ ଆମେ if this is the ground we have to reject the application. So better withdraw and pursue your remedy whenever you are getting a chance.
The main ground, my lord.
This is only ground. ସରଲା ଆଉ।
Also, I have taken ground also, safety also, I have taken the ground of safety also.
This cannot be a ground. If you insist on this, then we have to.
No, this is not the urgent, next week
No,
also.
no, withdraw କରନ୍ତୁ।
I have taken the ground also, other ground also.
ହଁ,
taken.
other ground କଣ ନେଇଛନ୍ତି?
Also.
ये सी रे जो ground ଅଛି ସେଇ ground ରେ କରିଦବା। CD. ये CD.
Mine.
FIR cannot be a ground.
No, if the subsequent cause of that, that's
At the
well.
submission of Sri Nandal and a counsel for the appellant, even though Sri Nanda has.
So I'll take the grounds in the execution court, executive court, all that.
But brings the appeal several grounds by the ground number CD to challenge the impugned order passed in consideration of a section 9 of HM Act application. However, takes this court to an additional ground by way of FIR instituted in the meantime by the petitioner on a subsequent event taking place caused by the husband herein. This court considering this is a statutory appeal is not in a position to undertake any exercise through any document, any bringing any document involving any incident taking place after the trial is over. This court therefore declining to entertain the appeal on the ground E. However, finds there has been other grounds to entertain the appeal, particularly on ground number C, D. Okay, admit on the above grounds. Direct requisition as undertaken by day after tomorrow. Always examine deeper. ହେଇପାରିବ ଏଟା additional ground ବି form ରେ ଆସିବନି ତେଣୁ କାହିଁ ଏଗୁଡାକ ଆଣୁଛନ୍ତି ଆପଣ ଯାହା କରିବେ ଏଇଟା ହୁଏ ତ admit ହେଇଗଲେ execution ଟା ଆପଣ କାହିଁ ମିସକେସ୍ ତ କିଛି ନାହିଁ
Miscase file question.
ଅଛି
Miscase file.
all right miscase notice stay of judgment. ଆପଣ କିନ୍ତୁ ଦୁର୍ଦଶା ବଢିଲା okay this has to be converted.
My lord, I have filed this matter under section 19 clause 4. Your lordship may kindly see.
19 clause 4 for
For
Hindu
matrimony.
Marriage Act the law.
My lord, I may read.
You are challenging impugned order annesso 1.
My lord,
Annesso 1 টা হচ্ছে 125 arising out of 125.
my lord.
Then no matter will be entertained. Yes.
Then your lordship,
So RPFM হবো যে কি
Then-
সেপারেট ডিসাইড হবো
my lord,
আপন বেশ তো গাইনি।
to change the nomenclature.
Yes. In this court find the stamp reporting is justified in entertainability of the matter not under MATA but under RPFM. The rest is directed to convert the appeal into RPFM and have the fresh stamp reporting to place the matter before assigned bench at the earliest.
My lord.
The matter of seal. কোথায় টঙ্কা আসছে ছোটা ভাঙা দিন বা টঙ্কা ডিপোজিট হয়েছে চৌদ 15 দেন একটু ওটা পার্সোনাল অ্যাপিয়ারেন্স করছে করিপারিবানি। Okay, let us finish first this 14. My lord. 14, 16 and 18. My lord.
Item 14,
These are all parted matters.
Yes, sir.
14 কাটিলা 14 কাটিলা।
In the lordship on the last occasion directed me to take instruction.
My lord has passed an
42 na?
order, your lordship.
Take instruction whether she is willing to accept that money.
Just
As
1
for-
minute, 1 minute.
My lord.
42.
7/8/2023. Your lordship may
42 no, 14 টা হচ্ছে 17.
17
17. 14 টা।
Your lordship may permit me to place the order dated 7/8/2023. That is the last order.
7.
7/8/2023. The last order, my lord. Heard the matter further in the proceeding dated 17/7/2023. After hearing the parties at length, this court recorded
ଆପଣ 10 ଲକ୍ଷ ଟଙ୍କା ଦେଇଥିଲେ ବୋଧେ?
ନାଇଁ 15 ଲକ୍ଷ ଟଙ୍କା.
15 ଲକ୍ଷ ଦେଇଦେଲେଣି?
Yes, your lordship has recorded it to keep it in proper custody.
Okay, 10 ଲକ୍ଷ
Plus 5 ଲକ୍ଷ.
10 5 15 ଦେଇଦେଲେଣି।
My lord.
Yes, what is your instruction?
No, sir, I have taken instruction, she is not willing to accept that permanent alimony. She is still hopeful that the marriage will revive. He may change his mind. He's still hopeful. I talked to her. She is also present in court. I have called him to court. That is why. There is no ground for divorce. And there is a boy.
By order dated, I mean. Awesome. For the petitioner, Shri Subhasis Patnaik. Following the volunteering of the husband and as recorded by this court through order sheet dated 17/7/23, read together with order dated 7/8/23, husband Shri Hiranmaya Das tendered 2 demand drafts in favor of Jayalakshmi Das Date गुड़ा देखी करियो
Date and draft ଆପଣ ଦେଖିବେ 7-8 ରେ ଲେଖା ହେଇଛି।
ହେଲା ହଁ ଯୋଉଟା ଚେକ୍ କରିବ ଓକେ tender two demand drafts 933-193 for a sum of rupees 10 lakhs in the name of wife Joylakshmi Das, and the second one 933-194 dated 31/7/2023. Setar भी date पड़ेगा same date for rupees 5 lakhs again in the name of wife Joylakshmi Das. In the further course of hearing, the Subhasis Patnaik advocate appearing for the wife respondent herein made a statement indicating the intention of the wife herein not inclining to accept the offer of the husband by way of permanent alimony and it is also brought to the notice of the court that the wife is interested to contest the matter. To find actual resolve to the dispute, this court entered into personal discussion or interaction with the wife personally present in court today. In the course of interaction with Mrs. Joylakshmi Das, respondent herein, she made a bold statement of not willing to part away with the husband in the acceptance in the on entering into divorce on acceptance of permanent alimony. For the wife not willing to accept the offer of the husband, this court is constrained to record necessity of final outcome in the appeal. In the process, this court also observed there is no point in retaining the bank drafts and on the refusal of the wife, this court find there is no purpose in retaining the two bank drafts, demand drafts recorded herein with the court any further. Direct the court master to release both of the same in favor of the counsel in favor of Sri U.C. Mishra advocate.
My lord,
Counsel
Ashutosh
appealing for
Mishra.
the
Ashutosh Mishra.
appellant Ashutosh Mishra. अपन ना सबले U.C. Mishra
नहीं भूल जाना
Ashutosh Mishra लिखो ना. Father is still practicing.
some helping
Bhubaneswar.
हम
There
staying
in Bhubaneswar. Hala. Yes, in favor of Sri Ashish.
Ashutosh Mishra.
Ashutosh Kumar or
Ashutosh Mishra only.
Ashutosh Mishra appearing for the husband here by keeping proper endorsement in the order sheet itself. Matter delisted to be listed in appropriate bench in its own time. It is delisted. Five. Mr. Das, you are there in item 5 or item 5 is some other Das,
some
Sushant
other
Das,
some other
somebody other, somebody else.
I think so.
Item 5 টা দেখুন রে। সুশান্ত দাস এস.এস. সাহু। জুনিয়র
No, my lord, my lord. No, no. my lord.
not in your office.
No,
All
I have not entered a period.
okay. Yes, তারপরে আমি will take up 16.
Item 16,
Now 16 is matter 236.
16 here, what has happened?
Let 16, I take some adjournment.
Huh?
I prepare some adjournment.
16 8 lakhs has been deposited in the registry. Dita appeal
There
আসছে
are
না?
two appeals
Date আসছে।
against permanent alimony. The husband has preferred the appeal.
And wife has preferred against divorce.
Against divorce.
And my learned friend is appearing for, if that appeal against the decree for divorce is taken up.
But these are 22 appeals.
Yes, my lord.
So let us pass some order on the deposit of money. টাকা ডিপোজিট করছেন
Okay, deposit কর দিয়েছে।
সেটা রহু এফডি রে রহু
अच्छी order.
So, Mr. Could you talk to your client and get anything, what is her mindset, whether she wants to accept that? Because the last case you must have marked, because there is a clear statement by the wife that she is not willing to accept and she wants continuance of the effort to resume the matrimony.
Yeah, exactly.
So what do you want? କଣ ଆପଣ ବୁଝିଲେ କଣ?
So for my instruction is concerned, my lord, that resumption is there. Restitution of marriage, she is interested.
He is interested for restitution.
Restitution of marriage.
Then what about the money? Because only
Regarding that,
the
money,
money
my lord,
deposited to
yes.
give, at least to make some progress, that she is in the comfort zone of thinking that her future is protected. But if she refuses, then why to retain the money? Or if you say that it will be kept in FD?
পার্টি কো রিটার্ন কর দেবা।
No, my humble submission, my lord, that the award amount was 10 lakhs. 11,
No,
sorry,
no,
11.
sir, we are not taking up the quantum. আমি কো মেরিটরি করছো কি?
No.
সে তো চ্যালেঞ্জ করছেন তা still then he has been compelled to deposit. He may say that you are not entitled. সেটা তো যাউনো। Obviously to show that, to encourage that there is, if she is apprehensive, what will happen to her, then there is a
But your
deposit.
lordship may direct that to release that amount subject to the result of the return.
No, suppose
তাহলে then
you
your
are
challenge
not
goes,
making
na?
that
You-
clear.
Mr. Misra,
Pardon?
You are not making that clear. You say we want to contest. We want restitution of
Yes.
conjugal right. Then if you take away that money, how it will be recovered ultimately?
Let him take.
Okay,
my
you may say if she joins, then it is their money.
Yes.
Their money.
As your lordship
Their
says, fixed deposit.
ତାହେଲେ let it be then, ଆପଣ ବି ପୁରା ମାନେ ଠିକ ରେ ସିଓର ନୁହନ୍ତି, so we are trying to protect the interest of the wife.
ପାଇବ କଣ ଅଛି without prejudice ନବ ଆଉ କଣଟା ହେଇଯିବ।
ସେ କହୁଛନ୍ତି ଲଖିଦେବା ପାଇଁ।
Finally, suppose finally ଆମେ କରିବା uphold କରିଦବା judgment ଟାକୁ କିମ୍ବା enhance କିଛି ଆଉ କରିବା finally, or reverse କରିବା, it is ultimately your wife is in enjoyment of some money. What is
No, my
that?
lord, let it remain in fixed deposit so that.
No, it's not to benefit to you.
Otherwise, I am ready for hearing of the matter.
No,
And
you
I am
are
not
ready doesn't mean that court is always ready.
My lord,
Out of turn hearing.
Out of turn hearing.
we are not also unwilling to pay permanent alimony because of the quantum in the higher side. We preferred an appeal.
No.
All right, Khali, place the matter next to it. Take instruction, okay?
Yes. May I suggest one thing, my lord?
Ethi arrogancy or adamancy?
No, there is
place.
no,
Kintu permanency is a place.
yes,
କଣଟା କଲେ ଉଭୟଙ୍କର ଉଚିତ ବାଟ ବାହାରିବ
may I praise one thing?
କୁହନ୍ତୁ
Your lordship may conciliate for a moment, my lord, because the wife is the member of the bar. Husband is that.
ହଜବେଣ୍ଡର କ୍ୟାପାସିଟି କଣ
Husband is a retired defense personnel.
ରିଟାୟାର୍ଡ
Defense personnel,
ଡିଫେନ୍ସ ପର୍ସନାଲ
my lord. If your lordship will
ଆପଣ କଣ ଆଉ ବାହା ହେଇ ଯାଇଛନ୍ତି ଏ ଭିତରେ ଆପଣ ଆଉ ବାହା ହେଇ ଯାଇଛନ୍ତି ଏ ଭିତରେ
No.
ନାଇଁ but this is why are you not joining the old lady with his peck
No, my lord.
How?
Young lady.
The old lady with his peck
No, my lord.
How?
Young lady.
The side one
Yeah. No,
No.
she is not here. She has appeared before your lordship several times.
wife
Appeared before my lord also several times.
Several times a process of
Is there
reconciliation
present
was
in court?
undertaken before the
she
family
is
court.
there present in court
Nine.
ଓ ଆଜି ନାହାନ୍ତି ତ
No, was here, right? Few
ଅଛନ୍ତି
minutes
ବାହାରେ
back.
ଅଛନ୍ତି
Few minutes
I can
back,
call.
she was here.
I can call her.
ଦେଖିବେ ନା ଆର ସପ୍ତାହରେ ଦି ଜଣ
Any rate, your lordship fix in the chamber, my lord, it will be more.
all right had the submission of counsel for both sides it appears husband is not willing to receive back the wife is also not in a position to release the divorce decree passed by the trial court. In this circumstance, this court finds there is no other option than to final hearing of the appeal involved herein. Okay, in this circumstance, this court finds, and as the wife is not willing to accept the offer of husband for permanent alimony and this court is constrained to direct the registry. ଆପଣ 8 lakhs deposit କରିଛନ୍ତି
Okay. To show the bona fides, lordship.
Okay, deposit made in the registry in this court on 27 to ଆପଣ 8,51,603 ଓ ଏଗୁଡ଼ା ହଉଛି FD ରେ ଅଛି
Again. FD ରେ ଅଛି by the order of this court. This honorable court.
make refund of the sum of rupees 8 lakhs deposited by the husband along with accrued interest as on the date of release on proper application of the husband appellant in
Content will be automatically put.
36 of 22. Matter stand released to be listed in its own term.
Content will be proved by adducing evidence.
Bless.
As she was ever hearing about
Hello.
Yes, 16, 18.
My lord, this, I mean the BC, item 17. After 16, my lord, item 17, my lord.
I am for the appellant wife, my lord. It is a decree of restitution of conjugal rights under section 9.
No, why there is direction for appearance of both parties?
Yes, lordship has on the last occasion, lordship while hearing of this matter, lordship has said that if there is any chance of conciliation, let both the parties appear, because it is a section 9 order.
Section 9 order.
Yes, parties are there.
Okay, court. In CP 122 of 22 in allowing an application under section 9 of the HM Act, but at the instance of the husband. In the course of hearing, this court also attempted through the parties herein and the parents of the wife herein, undertaking an interaction exercise with the husband, wife, and the parents of the wife. This court ultimately find there is no possibility of reunion on consent of parties. Wife wants to contest the proceeding. No hope of reunion through interaction. This court feels it appear the matter deserves final hearing. Considering this is an appeal of 2023, this court released the matter from board and direct the matter be listed in its own course. Considering the hearing will take some time, this court is inclined to stay operation of the impugned order 28/2/23 passed in CP 122 of 22. Yes, 19 ray, what is this affidavit of counsel?
My lord, I have filed affidavit,
What is this affidavit?
that is asset liability affidavit, my lord.
Oh, asset liability.
My lord, I have also served a copy on the Lord and Counsel appearing on behalf of.
Who is for the response?
My lord, he is from Berhampur. He was last time appeared on VC.
Okay. Both sides were directed?
No. Initially, I was directed to file affidavit.
Okay.
I have filed.
Then later bring the response. Response. There has been filing of affidavit on assets and liabilities by the husband appearing at flag B. You have served copy on the other
Yes,
side?
ma'am. Yes,
There has been service of copy of such affidavit on the counsel, Sri Sandeep Patra. You have received the copy, Mr. Patra? Mr. Patra, have you received copy of the affidavit?
Yes, sir. I have received the copy of it, sir. Yes.
Okay, all right. You are granted liberty to file, bring objection to the same.
Yes, sir.
If you have any objection, if you don't have objection, then you may simply file an affidavit accepting that.
No, sir. I will contact my respondent, then I will file objections.
Okay, all right. How much time? 2 weeks time?
Yes, sir. 2 weeks time. Yes, sir.
All right. Respondent is permitted to, respondent since already served with a copy of such affidavit, permitted to bring objection and or affidavit. At least within 3 weeks. Matter will be listed after 3 weeks. Any interim order there?
Interim order is there, ma'am.
Interim order to continue. Kisi tonka ଦେଇଛନ୍ତି ଆପଣ?
Yes, my lord. 3 lakhs.
So that's so release is
Yes, Lord.
এটা কোন divorce না
Yes, my lord, divorce.
by husband?
My lord.
Refusal of divorce. Refusal of divorce.
No, no, no. Divorce has been allowed. Quantum
Then
is a,
husband has come on the quantum.
yes, my lord.
Only, so therefore only on quantum.
Quantum, my lord.
Okay, তাহলে property details হলে decide ହେଇପାରିବ।
My lord.
Right. You can go through one judgment we have already delivered. Taking this Rajnish versus Nia, entire part, they can go through that. We have fixed a formula.
My lord.
What are the components required to be taken into account?
My lord.
That is already there, of course, in Rajnish.
Yes,
decision. But this is the judgment on that. picture.
My lord, item
Rest
17.
of the cases ଆସିବ କାଲି ଆସିବ।
My lord, obliged, obliged.
Obliged, your lordship.
କାଲି ଆସିବ। ଆଜି କାଲିକି ରଖୁଛି ମତେ କେହି କହିନାହାନ୍ତି।
Taken up a responsibility, can you not wait when the matter is called?
Yes, ma'am.
ଏବେ କାହିଁ list disturb କରୁଛନ୍ତି?
Sir, footage.
सीओଙ୍କ ଅର୍ଡର ବିରୁଦ୍ଧରେ ଫାଇଲ ହେଇଛି ନ୍ୟାଚୁରାଲ ଜଷ୍ଟିସ ମଲା ଲୋକ ନାଁରେ ପ୍ରୋସିଡ କରିଗଲେ ସବଷ୍ଟିଟ୍ୟୁସନ କଲେନି ରିମାଣ୍ଡ ହବ 14 ମ୍ୟାଟରଟା କୋଉ ଦିନ ଟିକେ
ତାଙ୍କୁ ଗୋଟେ ମେମୋ ଦେଇ ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ ତାଙ୍କୁ ମେମୋର ଗୋଟେ କପି ଦେଇ ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ
ଆଜ୍ଞା
ଏବେ ଏଣ୍ଡୋର୍ସ କରିକି ଦେଇ ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ
ଆଜ୍ଞା
ନମ୍ବରଟା ରଖିବେ you go through if it is a matter for remand then we can simply dispose the matter
ଲିଷ୍ଟ ଆସୁ ଗୋଟେ କୋଉ ଦିନ
ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ ମେମୋଟା ତାଙ୍କୁ ଦସ୍ତଖତ କରେଇକିରି ଦେଇ ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ ହେଲା କପି ସେ ସିଲ୍ କରିଛନ୍ତି କରିଦିଅନ୍ତୁ
ଆଜ୍ଞା
ଆଣ ଶୁକ୍ରବାର ଦିନ
application
ଫ୍ରାଇଡେ ଦିଅନି ମଣ୍ଡେ ଦିଅ ନେକ୍ସଟ ମଣ୍ଡେ
My lord, application filed for restoration of the appeal which had been dismissed for non-compliance of peremptory order.
ଆପଣ ତ ଏମଏସିଟି ହେଇଥିବ
ଆଜ୍ଞା ଆଜ୍ଞା ସେଟା ତାପରେ ତାର ଲିମିଟେସନ ଥିଲା ନୋଟିସ ଯାଇଥିଲା
ମୁଁ ଡିସମିସ୍ କରିଦେଇଛି
ଆଜ୍ଞା ଆଜ୍ଞା
ଅଲରାଇଟ୍ ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ
3 cases are there.
3 cases so MJCs have been filed
CMAPL
all right କାଲିକି ନେଇ ଆସ କାଲି କିମ୍ବା ପରଦିନ ଆସିବ dependent on availability of the file ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ
Why don't you mention, my lord? Contempt, fresh contempt, my lord.
Fresh contempt.
Contempt.
Fresh contempt list kahin houni? Fresh contempt list kahin hobani? Number diyon. Dekhibo jodi fresh heito hala. If it is fresh, it will be brought. Yes, call the list.
Monday.
Friday.
Friday, so next Friday.
Supplementary list, fresh addition, item 1.
Related to is first contempt, non-compliance of the court order 30.
Fast contempt.
Fast contempt.
Fast contempt.
Item number 2.
Yes,
Sir,
item 2,
I'm the
anybody
pet-
for? You are for petitioner?
My lords.
Petitioner?
My lords.
Arku?
If they are directed to file a counter, my lords, otherwise they have not
Please,
filed.
please be on the mic.
My lords.
My lord, we could not file the counter. Sorry, my lord, we are in virtual mode, my lord.
You have taken time to file counter.
Yes, yes, we have received the paras count, my lord. We will file within a week.
You have already received.
Yes, we have received the paras. We have received.
Okay, all right. It's Sri Pari, DSJ. 6 further 1 week time.
Yes, ma'am. 1 week time.
For the 1 week time, we filed the counter for which he has already received the Parvez comment. Let the counter be filed within 1 week with service of copy on the counsel for opposite party, a petitioner hearing. Petitioner is so like advised, may bring objection to the same. Interim order to continue. Place the matter 3 weeks after interim order to continue.
Along with me, Mr. Duchad name may be listed.
Okay, all right. Bhoktangana, Yan. Yes.
Ipogucha.
Item 3.
Item 3, my lord. In this case, I have received instruction. Your lordship may grant me 10 days time to file counter, my lord.
Okay, this has come with so many matters. Okay. You want to file counter?
Yes, yes.
Any interim order there? Or
Interim order is not there.
not there? Okay, all right. State Council wants to file counter. Kete 2 weeks re file karibe?
Yes, my lord.
2 weeks time granted to file counter. Place the matter after the counter is filed.
Item 4.
All these matters, to come up with so and so. Yes, item 4.
May it please the lordship, my lord. Lease granted in favor of my lord in respect to Hon'Ble Pokhari from the year 2021-22 to 2023-24, my lord.
Right. What is the apprehension now?
They have cancelled my lord, lease, my lord.
Already cancelled?
Yes, by the annexure 5, my lord.
Yes, this one, annexure 1. Where is the original communication? Why you are filing a Xerox copy only? That's an order challenge.
The annexure 5, my lord.
Earlier he came to court and there was a direction for
Yes,
considering your
annexure
case.
4, my lord.
Now that is rejected. Annexure 5, I am holding this, but this is
Yes.
Xerox copy only. Where is the original? कौन है बाहर रे आजिकल काहे की एभली सब फाइल होची डोंट फाइल अछि ना नहीं अपन पास
Yes, 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 I'm
अछि immediately give it immediately.
Yes, yes.
Issue notice on the question of admission. Requisites as undertaken by day after tomorrow accordingly करना अछि municipality को जीवा notice.
Yes.
Yes. Voilà. Right. Counter if any be filed within 1 week of the service of notice. Place the matter after interim notice कर दिया. Place the matter immediately after filing of the expiry of 1 week of the appearance of the opposite party, contesting opposite party, the contesting opposite party तो ठीक.
I filed a miscase, my lord.
Miscase कौन आपको cancel है सालानी can there be stay? How are you making such a prayer? Answer. If I grant stay, then it is not allowing your writ petition at this stage. Please be reasonable to court even. Yes. Unexpected prayer करिवे अजथा रे कथावार्ता को जीव जिंस I'm conscious. Yes, that's why I said it will be listed immediately after 1 week.
Item 5.
এটা কোন লিস্ট লা?
Sorry, my lord. Pond, my lord.
কোনটা?
Yes.
মিসকেসরে লিখিছেন in the meantime they're going out with leasing with somebody else.
No, my lord, it is for the Mukta Yojana, my lord.
কিছু লিখিবেনি। কিছু লিখিবেনি।
They are taking it for Mukta Yojana.
হ্যাঁ?
Mukta Yojana.
ମୁକ୍ତା ଯୋଜନା ହେଲେ ହବ ଗଭର୍ଣ୍ଣମେଣ୍ଟ ସ୍ପେଣ୍ଡ କରୁଛି ମନି। ସୋ ଆପଣଙ୍କର ଯଦି ଗ୍ରାଉଣ୍ଡ ଥିବ କମ୍ପେନସେସନ କିଛି ଦିଆ ହେଇପାରେ। ଦେଖିବା ଏନି ଆକ୍ସନ ଇନ ଦି ମିନ୍ ଟାଇମ୍ ଇସ୍ କେସରେ। ହେଲା। Following the direction in Annexure 5 shall remain subject to outcome of the revision. Yes, next.
Item 5.
Item 5, my lord. Though all the judgments are in favor of me, but error not recorded, corrected, my lord. I have given the Annexure 4 copy application. They are not also giving my number, my lord. Annexure 4.
Annexure 4 page
60, my lord. They have received but not given any number, my lord. My miscase number is not
Okay,
given,
it
my
is
lord.
through Annexure 4. Allegation is brought against Tahsildar Basudevpur, opposite party number so and so, that even in spite of petitioner filing miscase dash of 22, an application under section 34 bracket D of Orissa Servant Settlement Act 1962, same has not been registered even as of now. Filing since लिखित हो कितने तारीख में फाइल कर ले?
11/11/22.
11 11/11/22. All right, all right. Not been okay. This court in the disposal of writ application considering innocuous request involved therein observes in the event any such petition is already brought in the on the file of the Tahsildar Basudevpur, same should be immediately registered and this action as appropriate. A proceeding may be taken up to see a lawful disposal on the same, but however involving parties likely to be affected.
Obliged. In item 4, I may be permitted to take the Xerox copy with the original.
Pardon?
Item 4.
Item 4 रे?
That impugn order, right?
हाँ yes, file कर ले?
I am giving the taking.
दे दिया,
Xerox
ठीक रहती हम copy of impugn orders. Well, filed in court, we kept on record. रखी दिया। Yes.
Item 6.
Pardon me for appearing virtually, my lord.
Yes.
My lord, in this matter, we have received the counter affidavit only from the government, but private opposite parties have not given it. And we want, my lord, and we want to file the rejoinder.
What rejoinder? What is this proceeding?
Lordship, is a demarcation proceeding has been challenged, the final
Well,
order.
Then who has filed a counter?
Lordship, we have filed a counter.
You have filed a counter.
My lord.
Also, my lord, we three
So
and
where is the scope for counter there?
Lordship, just some facts we wanted to bring on record, that's why.
Yes, who is the petitioner?
petitioner is on virtual mode. I am for the contesting opposite party 3 and 4.
3 and 4.
But 3 is the sister, 4 is the mother.
Yes, yes, learned counsel for petitioner argue the matter.
My lord, my senior advocate is unable to appear today.
Oh,
That's
yes,
why.
then, sorry. What is this?
But demarcation is challenge already petitioned, everything I have filed the counter.
No, no, what is the ground for challenging the demarcation order? Where is the demarcation order? It is arising out of a demarcation proceeding only. Where is the demarcation order?
Page 11, your lordship.
Page 11.
Annexure 1.
What is the allegation here?
They are alleging that no notice was in fact served on them. But the facts are very peculiar here, your lordship, because all the three, both the opposite parties, private opposite parties and the petitioner, they are inheriting particular plot of land together. So their allegation that they not being noticed is absolutely fallacious because they themselves were a party to the partition proceeding before the Tahsildar.
So therefore they have a right over the property.
They have a right.
So they should have been involved.
No, they were not there during when we went to send the notice.
There is not the consideration. They should be there. It is the requirement.
Lordship, here, your lordship, the plot that is being partitioned was of all three of them are the legal heirs. So the boundary tenants, in fact, those are the one who are supposed to be noticed. Here, it is inside that one particular boundary where all three of them are residing, and that is where.
Mr. Misra, we are not on merit.
Lordship.
We are on a technical issue which is compulsory.
Rightly, my lord, I
No,
am permitted
this is
to say,
compulsory.
if your lordship permit,
Once you take up a demarcation issue, all parties interested are to be involved.
It should be there.
that is good. My lord, the
So let us
notices,
allow the repeats
my
of
lord,
that.
kindly see my counter page 14, just a minute.
Counter of OP2.
3 and 4,
3 and 4.
my lord.
Oh, this is the counter now
My
filed.
my lord.
Yes, what do you say?
Here, my lord, well, the
Para?
my lord, page 1-4, where the property was, my lord, clearly partitioned with mates and bounds, everything, only because I have to construct a pillar and boundary. She was noticed. The notice was affixed in the door as per my instruction, because I am mother and sister, one part, 72 decimal with ghar and all.
No, Mr.
She has,
Misra, when there is allegation that a proceeding has been undertaken, maybe purportedly or without any intention, but ex parte. So let
Yes.
it go back and.
my lord, kindly see the page 14, where,
Page
my lord,
14, yes.
the second para, the suit khata number 196 of village so and so stands recorded in the name of Pradeep Chaudhary, my lord, the husband of OP number 4, the father, and so hard. It is learned that all the learned part.
Petitioner is a co-sharer.
Yes, co-sharer. She
Co-sharer,
was
yes.
allotted with a my lord petition, and she is in peaceful possession of the
No, she is not satisfied with ex parte order. She says, if I would have been there, then I would have been explaining my position.
my lord, the read petition,
Yes,
because
yes,
she filed a
yes.
civil suit. She has filed a civil suit.
May I clarify one aspect, permission of my learned sir. No harm has been caused to the petitioner at all.
Nothing.
The demarcation only has explicated this order. Nothing else has taken place.
No
So
right title
absolute
and
no
nothing.
harm has been
All
caused.
right, all right. Bring the counsel, bring the arguing counsel tomorrow.
My lord.
As here, if there is prejudice, then it will be remanded. If there is no prejudice.
No
then it
prejudice, my
cannot be
lord. She
remanded.
is in peaceful position. I am in peaceful position. Only demarcation. She, my lord.
Then have you stated in your counter, both of you, have you
Yes.
stated
Yes.
in your counter that
My-
there is no prejudice,
My
our
lord.
interest has been taken care.
Yes, we have stated that, Lord.
And yes, we have mentioned that.
So therefore, mere allegation that she was ex parte or this has been taken
But
behind her back.
not a single inch is being, my lord, taken away. The 36
That
admitted
you
there.
say, but are they agreeing or
Para 12, Lordship, of our counter we have stated.
part 12 of the counter of OP number 2?
OP number 2, your Lordship.
Para 12.
My Lordship, at page 10.
Okay, all right. Let this matter come tomorrow.
Lordship.
Yeah, senior counsel not there. Yes, considering small matter involved within the matter is taken up for final hearing. However, considering the counsel's request for senior counsel absent today, the matter stand adjourned for further hearing to tomorrow.
Lordship.
You also record by
Any
count.
interim order there? Any interim order?
No, lordship.
No interim order. All.
Your lordship, may kindly refer that I have filed the counter and
Yes. There is counter filed by OP number 3 and 4 with service of OP on the petitioner as well as state. We kept on record
progressed
by Misra.
Item 7.
I please.
Yes.
Now the my invoker's prayer, OLR case number 3 of 17 is pending for OP number 3. And it has been remanded for fresh hearing at page 15 by the ADM Baleswar.
Remand order page?
Page 15.
15.
Again.
Yes, this is an outcome of appeal.
Again.
Then?
With the direction to sub-collector to dispose of ওয়েলার কেস
So
3
there is reopening of the original proceeding.
ଆଜ୍ଞା ସେଇଟା କିନ୍ତୁ ଏପର୍ଯ୍ୟନ୍ତ ହେଇନି ମୁଁ ରିପ୍ରେଜେଣ୍ଟେସନ ବି ଦେଇଛି
ଏଥିରେ ପୁଣି representation ଦିଆ ହଉଛି।
ଆଉ ସେ ଆଜ୍ଞା ସେ ଶୁଣିଲେନି
Hey Bhagavan, if somebody casually deals, then he may say representation be given lawful disposal.
ନାଇଁ ନାଇଁ ସାର୍ ମୋର ପ୍ରେୟର କିନ୍ତୁ ଏଇ ଓଏଲଆର କେସଟା ସପ୍ଲିମେଣ୍ଟାରୀ ଶୁଣି
ସେୟା କରିବା ଦେଇଦବା
OLR case ଟା
had the submission of Sri Mahanti and Sri Panda, counsels appearing for respective parties. Private party ଅଛନ୍ତି କି?
ଆଜ୍ଞା
Even though there has been number of private opposite parties to contest the proceeding, but this for the nature of the proceeding involving a direction from this court to work out the direction of the appellate authority in its judgment, oblique order dated 8th February 2018, passed in OLR Appeal 3 of 15. This court likes to dispose the matter without even notice to the opposite parties, private opposite parties. Okay, considering the prayer herein and the submission of Sri Mahanti, and on perusal of the appellate authority's direction by Danish 2, this court find the direction remains as follows. Page 15 direction. It is keeping in view the aforesaid direction, this court find the aforesaid direction though was given on 8th February 2018. Unfortunately, 5 years though passed in the meantime, there has been no progress. Considering there is already sufficient loss of time in such matter, this court direct the yes, OP, which OP will
OP number
undertake
3.
this exercise?
OP note 3
OP number
3
3.
ଆଜ୍ଞା
OP number 3 to complete the required exercise by the OLR case number 3 of 2007, but strictly in terms of the appellate court's direction, appellate authority's direction. All right, with this, by completing, by bringing an outcome to such proceeding, at least within a period of 3 months, but however, in the involvement of the parties likely to be affected. Okay, counsel for prisoner is also permitted to serve copy of this court's order on the OP number 3, as well as the counsel appearing for the private opposite parties before the competent authority. ତାଙ୍କ ଓକିଲ ଉପରେ ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ ନହେଲେ ତାଙ୍କୁ ପୁଣି ନୋଟିସ ଯିବ ସେ ବହୁତ ଦିନ ଲାଗିବ।
Sir, only one prayer ma'am. I have filed an IA in this case. I will renew my prayer before the supplement.
ଆଇଏ କଣ ପାଇଁ କରିଛନ୍ତି?
Sir, injunction କରିଛୁ ସେମାନେ ସବୁ ବିକା କିଣା କରିଦଉଛନ୍ତି।
Injunction କଣ?
OLR authority has power. OLR authority has power.
Okay, petitioner, this court records petitioner not pressing the IA, which is permitted to be withdrawn, however, with a liberty to the petitioner, if so advised, to pursue such remedy in the original forum.
Item 8. Item, my lord, similar matter, my lord. Lordship have glance page 30, annex 3, my lord. My lord, sir,
Page?
Page, my lord, 30.
13.
13, annex 3, lordship. 30, lordship. Page 30, annex 3, lordship. A similar matter, my lord, sir, dispose of. My lord, sir, pass.
Similar order?
My lord.
Mr. Ghosh. Okay, all right.
Union of India.
My lord.
Hello, OP1.
My oblige. Item 9.
My pleasure, Lordship. But the impugned order is at Annex 8, Miller, page 87, Miller. By the impugned order, the sub-collector Paralakhemundi, in a proceeding under the Maintenance and Welfare of Parents and Senior Citizens Act, were directed for eviction of the
There is
younger
no
son.
appeal against this order?
No, Miller.
Huh?
No, Miller.
No, there must be appeal.
As per the Act, Miller, there should be a tribunal. Miller, and there the appeal is provided. But since there is no tribunal, it is amenable to the jurisdiction.
Okay, where is the certified copy?
Then
Page 87, where is the certified copy?
My lord, the entire order sheet I have includes that annexure 7 series, my lord. The impugned order is also in the certified copy, my lord.
Impugned order annexure 8 or not?
Annexure 8, my lord.
He has written that copy.
No, annexure 7.
ଦଉନାହାନ୍ତି
No,
ଆପଣ
annexure-
ପାଖରେ କାହିଁ ରଖୁଛନ୍ତି? ସବୁ case ରେ ମୁଁ ଦେଖୁଛି alternate, every alternate case certified copy is with the council.
ନାଇଁ 7 ଟାର ଅଛି 8
8 ଟା ନାହିଁ 8 ଟା ନାହିଁ ଖାଲି ଜେରକ୍ସ
8 ନାହିଁ ଯଦି ହବନି maintainable ନୁହଁ। ମୁଁ I have already made it clear. If you file any application without certified
Yes,
copy, I will permit you to withdraw to bring a fresh petition.
So that is there. The free copy is there with me.
Free copy, it is all right then. Give it. Why are you returning with you? The order challenged, unless you file the original or a supplied copy, how can you continue? What is the order there? Come to page 88.
My lord. Page 88, the operating portion, in view of the aforementioned facts, it is hereby ordered that.
Please keep the mic down.
My lord. The respondent should vacate the building and residing in a separate place away from the petitioner.
Who are the respondents?
The respondents, my lord, the younger son and the daughter-in-law, my lord.
Who are the petitioner?
Petitioners are the parents.
So parents have a better right.
Yes, my lord. That I am not disputing that, my lord. Your lordship kindly see.
Then who has come here?
Yes, I am the younger son. My lord, the background of the fact, my lord, 2 sons, my lord. The elder son created disturbance, therefore a partition was effected. That person did, notarized person did although. But partition was effected. The elder son was given another house at a distance of 300 meters. And subsequently, a gift deed was executed in respect of that land in favor of the elder son. The parents preferred to stay with the present petitioner, who is the younger son. But after marriage of the younger son, the disturbance was there. And
then who has a better right?
But the parents have a better.
Why are you pursuing such remedy?
Millet, here, Millet, my only difficulty, Millet, you lordship kindly see the order sheet for a moment, Millet. I am ready to maintain. I also
They don't need maintenance.
Millet,
that's already recorded there. They don't need maintenance. They only want residence.
No, residence, Millet, here, Millet, this is a 2-storied building. The younger son was given in the partition, the first
ଅଲଗା ଜାଗାରେ ରହିଲାଣି, ଗୋଟେ ପୁଅ ଅଲଗା ଜାଗାରେ ରହିଗଲାଣି।
ତାକୁ ଅଲଗା ଗୋଟେ ଜାଗା ଦେଲେ, ଗିଫ୍ଟ ଡିଡ୍ ଦେଲେ, ସେ ଅଲରେଡି ରହିଲା।
ଆଉ ଏ ଗୋଟିଏ ପୁଅ ଏଠି ରହିଛି।
ଏ ଗୋଟିଏ ପୁଅ ଏମାନେ ପାର୍ଟିସନ ଡିଡ୍ ରେ
ଗୋଟେ ମହଲା କରିଦିଅନ୍ତୁ, ଆପଣ ତଳେ ରହିବେ, ସେ ଉପରେ ରହିବେ, କରୁନାହାନ୍ତି।
ସେଇଟା ତ ପାର୍ଟିସନ ରେ ବି ସେଇଟା ଥିଲା। ସେମାନେ କହିଲେ ଯେ କହିଲେ ଆମେ ଗ୍ରାଉଣ୍ଡ ଫ୍ଲୋରରେ ରଖିବୁ। ଗ୍ରାଉଣ୍ଡ ଫ୍ଲୋରରେ ୟାର ଗୋଟେ କିରାନୀ ଦୋକାନଟେ ଅଛି। That is the only problem. କିରାନୀ ଦୋକାନଟେ ଅଛି, ଇଏ କହିଲେ ଯେ କିରାନୀ ଦୋକାନଟାକୁ ଛାଡିକି ଅନ୍ୟ ଯୋଉ ରୁମ ଗୁଡା ଅଛି ସେଟା ବି ଆମେ ଭାକେଟ କରିଦବୁ। ସେମାନେ ଲୋନ କିଛି ଅସୁବିଧା
ଫ୍ଲୋର ଦେବେ, ଗ୍ରାଉଣ୍ଡ ଫ୍ଲୋର ଦେଇ ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ ତାଙ୍କୁ।
ସେ ଗୋଟେ ଦୋକାନଟା ସେଇ
ଦୋକାନଟା ଆପଣ ଇଆଡେ ଶୁଣନ୍ତୁ, ଆପଣ ଇଆଡେ ପଇସା ପଛରେ ପଡିଛନ୍ତି, ବାପା ମା କେମିତି ରହିବେ ସେ କଥା ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ ଚିନ୍ତା ନାହିଁ।
ସେଇଟା ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ
ଆପଣ ପଳାନ୍ତୁ ବାହାରକୁ, ଷ୍ଟେ ଦେବିନି।
ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ ଆଫ୍ଟର
ଷ୍ଟେ ଦେବିନି, ମୁଁ କରିବି ଭ୍ୟାକେସନ ଅଫ ଦି ହାଉସ, ହାଉଏଭର ୱିଲ୍ ବି ସବଜେକ୍ଟ ଟୁ
ଏଇ
ଫାଇନାଲ।
ଏଇ ଅର୍ଡର ପରେ ପିଟିସନର ବି ଦେ ଆର୍ ନାଉ ରିଜାଇଡିଂ ଇନ ଏ ରେଣ୍ଟେଡ ହାଉସ।
ତାହେଲେ ଆଉ କଣ ରହିଲା?
ଗୋଟେ ଖାଲି ଦୋକାନଟା ରହିଲା। ଦୋକାନଟା ଦ୍ୟାଟ୍ ଇଜ ଦ ଓନ୍ଲି ସୋର୍ସ ଅଫ ଲାଇଭଲିହୁଡ। ଆଉ ସେଇ ଦୋକାନଟା ପାଇଁ ଏମାନେ ବି ରେଡି ଅଛନ୍ତି 9,000 per month ଦବା ପାଇଁ ତାଙ୍କୁ। although they are not praying for maintenance, ସେ ତାଙ୍କୁ 9,000 ଦବା ପାଇଁ ବି ରାଜି ଅଛନ୍ତି। that is the only source of livelihood. The petitioner has incurred health loan.
ସେଇଟା ଯଦି source of livelihood କହୁଛନ୍ତି,
ଆଜ୍ଞା,
ଆପଣ ଦେଲେ ଅବଜେକ୍ସନ ଆପଣଙ୍କର ତଳ କୋର୍ଟରେ କଣ ଦେଇଥିଲେ ସେ ଅଥରିଟି ପାଖରେ?
ତଳ କୋର୍ଟରେ ଅବଜେକ୍ସନ ମେଣ୍ଟେନ କୌଣସି ଜିନିଷ ମୁଁ ଡିସ୍ପ୍ୟୁଟ କରିନି। ମୁଁ କହିଛି ଯେ
ଲେଖିଥିଲେ କି ସେଠି ଗୋଟେ ଦୋକାନ ଘର ଅଛି, that is my source of livelihood.
yes my lord, yes my lord, that is there my lord.
ସେ ଘର କେତେ ବଖରିଆ ଘର?
ସେଇଟା 3 ବଖରା ଘର।
ନାଇଁ ତଳ ମହଲା 2 ମହଲା ପରା କହୁଛନ୍ତି।
ହଁ 2 ମହଲା, ଉପରେ 3 ବଖରା, ତଳେ 3 ବଖରା। ତଳେ 3 ବଖରାରୁ ଗୋଟେ ବଖରାରେ ଇଏ ଦୋକାନ କରିଛି, ଆଉ 2 ବଖରାରେ ତାର ଜିନିଷ ରଖୁଥିଲା, ଦୋକାନରେ ଜିନିଷ ରଖୁଥିଲା। ଉପରେ ସମସ୍ତେ ରହୁଥିଲେ ସାଙ୍ଗ ହେଇକି। ତାପରେ
ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ ଆପଣ ପଳେଇଲେଣି, ଆଉ
ଗୋଟେ ଜାଗାକୁ ପଳେଇଲେ। କେବଳ
ଦୋକାନଟା କେବଳ ଆପଣଙ୍କର ଡିସ୍ପ୍ୟୁଟ ରହୁଛି। Alright, issue notice on the question of admission fixing short returnable date. This court records the submission of Sri Panigrahi. Happens to be the eldest son
and the younger son.
Younger son. of the parents, the petitioner in the original proceeding,
Younger son and daughter-in-law.
has already shifted to a rented house. The other son, the respondent, other respondent therein, is also residing away from the house involved. The only dispute as raised herein appears to be there may not be, even though there is no problem in the allowing to the parents to occupy the building two-storied one. However, one of the shops since used as a one of the rooms since used as a shop room, being the sole source of livelihood of कार livelihood एटा दीपुओं तो पार्टी कर दले पुनी
नहीं पिटिशनर ଆଉ ତା wife ଦି ଜଣ ଅଛନ୍ତି appellant
ଏଠି petitioner or wife okay all right the only source of नहीं आपन कोन किछि आपन कोन असुविधा कोन आपन कोन रोजगार किछि करू नांदी
से गुटे दुकान केवल source of livelihood
आ ए दुकान दा being the sole source of livelihood of the respondents therein, the petitioners herein. This court is inclined, this court though declined to stay the impugned order, however, observes there may not be any disturbance in the running of the shop room in one of the rooms claimed herein in the house involved, and the usufruct, if any, income, if any, from the the shop room may be in the entitlement of the petitioners for the time being. ସେମାନେ ଘରକୁ ଆସିଲେଣି ନା ନାହିଁ ସେ ବାହାରେ ବୁଲୁଛନ୍ତି
କିଏ ବାପା ମା
ହଁ
ସେ ରହୁଥିଲେ ଆମ ସାଙ୍ଗରେ
ଅଛନ୍ତି ସେଠି ତ
ସେ ଉପର ଫ୍ଲୋର ରେ ରହୁଥିଲେ ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ
ଆଉ ଦେଖିବା କଣ ଆପଣ ଏମିତି କଲେ ଯେ ସେ ପୁଅ ସାଙ୍ଗରେ ସେ ରହିଥିଲେ ସେ ଆପଣଙ୍କ ଶତ୍ରୁ ହେଇଗଲେ
ସେ ଡିସ୍ପ୍ୟୁଟ ହଉଛି ସାନ ପୁଅ ବାହା ହେଲା ପରେ
ଏଠି ବସିବେ ଦେଖିବେ ସକାଳେ କଣ ହଉଛି ଏ କୋର୍ଟରେ
ମୁଁ ବସିଥିଲି ସକାଳେ
ସ୍ୱାମୀ ସ୍ତ୍ରୀଙ୍କ ପାଲା
ଆଜ୍ଞା ମୁଁ ବସିଥିଲି ସକାଳେ
ଆମେ ପାଗଳା ହେଇଯିବୁ ଭାଗ୍ୟ ଭଲ ମୁଁ ରିଟାୟାର କରିଯାଉଛି
I am in virtual mode.
ପ୍ଲିଜ
That I am in virtual mode.
10.
You are in virtual mode in item 10.
Item 10.
Yes, all right, argue.
Here the small dispute involved in this case, my lord. A Gochar land, the village Gochar that is consisting of a page in your lordship can see, 349 has been recorded as Gochar. Plot number 349 has been recorded as Gochar. The block development officer.
Right. Can I go to a merit of the matter now?
But
you have a petition pending.
Petition pending under annexure 9, Lord, at
Yes,
page 49.
let the OP2
before the collector.
OP2 consider that, keeping in view the grounds herein.
Yes.
That's all. But why you are arguing such matters? Where are your juniors or associates?
I was there.
ସେ ଏତକ କାଗଜ ଫାଇଲ କରିକି ସେ କ୍ଲାଏଣ୍ଟ ବିଚାରା ମଲା ସାହୁ ଆମକୁ ଲଗେଇଛି
ସିଏ ଗୋଟେ ଦେଲେ ନାହିଁ ମତେ right to information ରେ ଦେଇଛନ୍ତି without considering my application. Your lordship can see at page 36.
page
36.
କଣ ଦେଲେ?
On my RTI, he has said that this is the decision taken by the BDO. That is only that we have gone against the action of the BDO, but he has only communicated the decision of the BDO to me without deciding anything.
कौन डिसीजन नेले रिजेक्ट कर देले?
नहीं आम रिप्रेजेंटेशन रिजेक्ट करना. He has only communicated the decision of the BDO.
Then what is that decision?
This is the decision with the reference to the letter on the subject cited.
No, it is revealed that earth from the alleged pond is named as Club Pokhari.
Club Pokhari
has been excavated around pond so. This project has been approved during एटा से जो प्रधानमंत्री को पोखरी योजना रे होची की
ନାଇଁ ନାଇଁ ଏଟା NREGS ରେ କରୁଛନ୍ତି ଗୋଟେ ଗୋଚରଟାକୁ ଖୋଳିକି ଗୋଚର ଲ୍ୟାଣ୍ଡ
अच्छा आपण की सब रिप्रेजेंटेशन देइछंती
ଆମେ वी आर द विलेजर्स
आनेसर 9 रे काई जणे तो दस्खत करी
ନାଇଁ ନାଇଁ ତା ସେକେଣ୍ଡ पेज ରେ ଅଛି एट पेज
गुडा को
आगे
अच्छा प्लीडिंग देखेले कोठी आपण मानकर गाई अछि आ द्वारा असुविधा हो लिखछंती
आगे लिखिଛି from the very beginning first paragraph. The petitioners being concerned about the destruction of natural landscape in village and disturbed by the high-handed action, arbitrary action of the opposite parties has filed this writ petition. The digging of the earth, your lordship can see that towards the bottom. The digging of earth in the said land for construction of pond and playground is prima facie illegal and against the common interest.
नमस एटा तो बहुत बड़ बड़ सब भाषण
The land in
आपनकर
question
गाई अफेक्ट करछि कुड लिखछन
again it लिखिबा the land in question having the status of gochar is being used predominantly by all villagers for grazing and tying up their cattle.
Let notice go. You file your count. This notice go.
But we have filed a stay application.
Count file
Filed a stay application.
stay कोन हो
Stay
Development
काम हेलानी आ त कोन
development work in a gochar land without
development work
converting
तो
that
stay
land
करी
to
आसु
and
देखो
without setting a
आसु
person.
instruction ने 2 copies be served on state council who is directed to take instruction on the position of the land and list involved in it. Serve 2 copies.
Yes,
It will come on next Wednesday.
yes.
Right.
instruction.
Item 11. May I please your lordship? My lord, here my lord, as per your lordship's direction, the ASO rental colony decided the objection case by annexer 6 page 36.
But
My
in
lord.
this case, last
And
occasion, my lord had directed us to examine whether the case is covered by my lord's judgment. But I have gone through, it is not covering their case, my lord.
No, no, my
We file counter.
No, no, my lord, my humble submission before your lordships, my lord, when the ASO has allowed the objection case and directed the Tahsildar to carry out the order passed by the Honorable High Court, he without carry outing that order, he initiated a mutation case and dismissed the mutation application, which is
Okay,
covered
then
by
let
your
the-
lordships.
let the counter come, let us take a
My
decision.
lord, my lord, kindly see last order, my lord. If
But
your
he's not
lordships
pushing the
kindly see
entire thing.
10/8/2023 रे.
Counter, I said only. you
Examine Coram.
Find out if this judgment is covering or not.
This judgment is not covering their case.
My lord, I have submitting the order of this honorable court by 2016 volume 2 OLR 290 page and
সেটা দেই না, কই না।
another is 2022 volume 2 CLR. Only 35. My lord,
Okay, you come to your case. What is your case?
my lord, kindly see, my lord, annexer 6 page 36, my lord.
Page 30.
6, my lord. My lord.
Yes.
Second paragraph. Verified the Amino inquiry report, it is found that Sri Basudev Das has inquired the field and reported that all the petitioners are possessing.
This is in what proceeding?
My lord, in objection case, my lord, and as per your lordship's order, my lord, that
Okay,
is,
This is in what proceeding? This is a, okay, objection case.
my lord, objection,
Outcome in a objection case.
objection case, my
So
lord.
there is a manner preparation of the record of right.
Record of right, my lord,
Page 36.
my
Then-
lord. Page 36, my lord. Second paragraph, my lord.
Yes.
Verified the Amino inquiry report, it is found that Sri Basudev Das has
Okay, right,
inquired.
right. There is a
My lord,
manner of
thereafter-
preparation of the,
my
there
lord,
is a
there-
manner of preparation he has disclosed.
My lord. Thereafter, my lord, kindly see page 38, my lord.
This order was passed pursuant to a direction of this court.
This court, my lord.
Where is that direction?
My lord, that is, my lord,
Page 29.
page 30, my lord, 30, my lord.
Page
30,
30.
my lord. 29 was your lordship's direction.
No, 30 is impugned order annexure 6. Apon pagination bhul achi. That is page 29.
29, your lordship's order, my lord. Second paragraph.
So I had directed for a lawful disposal of the objection case.
My lord, my lord.
Right. So there is disposal.
Disposal,
Now
my lord.
this order is not challenged.
No,
not challenged by the
Then what
anybody.
is your prayer here?
Here, my lord, kindly see the page.
Then what is Annexure 7? Do you see coverage of that order?
My lord, Tahsildar, without complying the order of the ASO, he initiated a mutation case.
Okay.
Only-
Now further development is he has initiated a yes, Mr.
But
Kumar
only
said-
to my responsibility, he has not brought to your lordship's notice what actually has happened in this case. Your lordship may first come to Lord page 30 annexure 6.
Hmm.
Here, my lord, a batch of writ petitions were disposed of earlier prior to your lordship's judgment.
Hmm.
On the basis of that judgment, my lord, the ASO which the orders were passed by the ASO in respective cases, my lord, those are all set aside and the direction was
This
given to
order
the
is
ASO.
also- This order is also set aside.
Yes, all orders which had been passed by the ASO, those were set aside and matter was remanded back to the ASO.
No, so
Thereafter-
does it include this object?
Yes. Thereafter, this.
So you say Annexure 6 no more subsisting?
No, I'm coming to that, my lord. I'm coming to that. So after the disposal of those batch of writ petitions, my lord, this case was taken up. These are there at annexure 6.
So matters were reopened.
The matters were reopened. So, no matter what is the observation of the court which has been quoted, your lordship will find it, my lord, at page 35. Sorry. I'm sorry, my lord. Yes, page 34, my lord. Second paragraph, towards bottom.
Yes.
This is in bold letter, my lord. This honorable court, while setting aside the order of the ASO, while remitting back the matter for reopening, my lord, directed the assistant settlement officer.
Just
shall-
1 minute, 1 minute. Where are you reading?
I'm reading at towards bottom of the second paragraph. Assistant settlement officer shall conclude the proceedings strictly in accordance with law without being influenced by
Page
any
30.
manner.
Page 34 you are reading.
But yes, 34. Second paragraph
No,
towards
no.
bottom.
So just is your page 33 last line, Honorable High Court. Your page
Yes.
33
Page
last
33,
line.
Honorable High Court.
Honorable High Court.
हाँ,
that
top
he-
और page
So
top.
he has quoted this order.
Yes. Then I'm coming, Lord. That order, Honorable High
That
Court's
order
order.
you read.
Yes, that order I'm placing.
Hmm.
Towards bottom, Lord. Second paragraph, next page.
ପୁରାଟା ପଢୁନାହାନ୍ତି
ପୁରାଟା ପଢୁଛି।
ये तो गोटिए पारा ଅଛି inverted
ଆଜ୍ଞା।
comma ରେ second
Aye. We quashed the impugned order passed by the assistant settlement officer, rental colony Bhubaneswar. Consequently, any final publication relating to cases at hand are deemed to be quashed and direct that the assistant settlement officer shall adjudicate the matter on its own merit after providing sufficient opportunity of hearing.
Now he proceeds.
Yes.
Now he proceeds.
Now, Lord, there is another thing, Lord. In this order, assistant settlement officer shall conclude the proceeding strictly in accordance with law without being influenced by any manner or any observation made by this order. Now, my lord, pursuant to this, my lord, he observes that they are entitled for a correction of ROR in their favor, my lord. But what order he passes? Like page 38. Well, why I wanted to file a counter, this is the reason, Lord. Page 38 towards bottom. The final publication of ROR and maps in respect of Moja Andharwa have already been made since, this is final, my lord, have been made since 23/3/2014 as per statute. The ASO rental colony is functus officio. After final publications, all records are available with Tahsildar. So, my lord, my respectful submission is while initiating or taking up the matter, my lord, he had become functus officio. So, he had no scope to pass any verdict.
Then will you argue that in this read?
No.
You will challenge that order.
No, that should have been challenged by the ASO. That should have been called in question that I have become functus officio. The authority lies with the collector.
No, that functions officio part is only in the preparation of the record of right.
Yes. Now, my lord.
Nothing else. Adjudication is by him.
Now, my lord.
Now, after adjudication, he finds difficulty with somebody.
Yes.
Then he says because ASO rental colony becomes functions officio, now the Tahsildar Bhubaneswar is to
proceed with the matter.
No. Not to proceed, only to prepare.
Prepare the ROR.
But you have proceeded in a matter.
Now, my lord, my submission, my respectful submission that once he says that he is functus
No,
officio.
he doesn't say functions officio so far as merit of the case. He says becomes functions officio so far as preparation of record of right.
That
adjudicating authority, he is still adjudicating authority.
But my lord,
So
what,
therefore, there is no other option
and-
than to only for preparation of record of right, and it is squarely covered by my judge.
another thing, my lord, you will, thereafter, another order was passed by my lord.
Giving you one more date.
But
Upon-
suppose 48, 42 টা খালি দেখুন তো ঠিক।
If you take that ground, then I can decide right now.
না, এই 42 টা দেখুন।
42,
আপনার অর্ডারটা।
yes.
This court in disposal of writ petition observes because by then, my lord, the mutation proceeding had already been taken up by the Tahsildar. That was pending.
That
Nahi,
proceeding
se-
per se illegal.
He has referred to the orders. Then whether he has committed a mistake or not, that your lordship will decide.
No, I'll only say this proceeding is vexatious proceeding.
Because
Uncalled for. Uncalled for.
Because here your lordship has observed, it is directed to work out the direction annexure 6.
Without impediment.
If there is no other impediment.
Right, there is no impediment. You have not challenged that order as
Yes,
of now.
that should have. That
There is
should
no
have.
challenge.
But here he finds, my lord, this Tahsildar finds that when there was a physical.
I can't go to Tahsildar finding. It's a vexatious proceeding. Any observation simply to be thrown in dustbin. So I'm closing. That's why he is claiming from the very beginning date, sir, this is well covered by this judgment.
Not this judgment, my lord, but at least this, এটা দরকার নথিলা। কাହିଁକି ନା ଆପଣଙ୍କର ସେ earlier judgment ଅନୁସାରେ
Had the submission of respective counsels. Matter is taken up for final hearing at the stage of admission for undisputed facts remains involved therein. In as much as there is no dispute in the reopening of the objection case. Rent objection case 3800 by 2013. By miscase number 165 of 2016. As an outcome of WPC 9595 by 2016. Annexure 6 being an outcome of such disposal of such result, writ petition. Sri Nayak taking this court to the direction part available in the brief, page 36 onwards. Taking this court to the further development taking place by Annexure 9 in the disposal of mutation case 37689 of 2021. The Nayak Learned Counsel contains, once there is adjudication in an objection case by a competent authority and looking to the manner of direction therein, there is no opportunity with the Tahsildar to freshly initiate a mutation proceeding in order to working out the direction in the objection case herein above. It is in this scenario, Sri Nayak contests the validity of the order, impugned order Annexure 9 and 6, setting aside of the same. In the process of argument, Sri Nayak also refers to a judgment of this court. 2022, volume 2, OLR 667. The Nayak also refers to another judgment of this court 2022, volume 2, CLR 1041. Sri Ghosh Lalitas, AGA, however, giving a contest to the claim of the petitioner, wanted to draw the attention of this court in the order passed in the previous round of litigation. Particularly in WPC 8237 by 2014. Reading through the order, taken note at page 34 of the brief, and then taking this court to the final direction part, of the competent authority available at page 38 contains, once the competent authority leaves the matter to the discretion of the Tahsildar Bhubaneswar, there is no illegality on the part of the Tahsildar Bhubaneswar in undertaking a fresh exercise through mutation proceeding. In the processory, both attempt to justify the impugned order annexure 9. Considering the rival contentions of the parties, this court in the disposal of the read petition in the as a previous round of litigation, this court in the disposal of WPC 8237 of 2014 this court find the order passed therein reviews as follows. ये order टा अच्छी की फाइल कॉपी order अच्छी आपन पाखरे
Order of the
ये जो read petition 8237 of 2014 रो order आपन पाखरे independently अच्छी with cause title
no, my lord.
देखी दो verify करियो हला 8237 of 2014 and date होची 4714 हमरे कार्डिंग दे परता है you get a copy of order and it is keeping in view the direction herein above. This court finds there should not be any doubt that the ASO involved herein was directed to undertake the objection exercise. ASO rental colony Bhubaneswar. Coming back to coming to Perus, on Perus, order at annexure 6, this court finds there has been adjudication of the proceeding on contest of parties, and there is final direction of the competent authority runs as follows. Thirty-five. 35 ରୁ ସବୁଡା ନବା କଥା ଏଇ ଯାଏ ଆସିବ 36 ର ଇଂଲିଶ ପର୍ସନ ସରି ତା ୟା ଉପର ପାରାଟା ଏଇ ପର୍ସନ ଏଣ୍ଡ କରିବ ଏଠି ଅଫ୍ ଦି ପରଚେଜ ଲ୍ୟାଣ୍ଡ start of a confirmation order of the ATM. And it is after the aforesaid observation and finding, it appears the ASO has given direction in the manner the record of right is required to be prepared. Page 38, there is further direction of the ASO. Runs as follows. Reading the aforesaid data, page 38, 39, type English portion type out. Reading the aforesaid, this court of and keeping in view the extent of challenge by the State Council on the basis of such direction. This court observed this is a mere direction finding ASO rental colony become functions officer in bringing out the fresh record of right. And as a consequence, the ASO rental colony gave direction therein to Tahsildar Bhubaneswar, being the competent authority, to prepare the record of right after final publication of the same. It is in this circumstance this court finds there is absolutely no direction to the Tahsildar to, no scope with the Tahsildar to initiate the proceeding by annexure 9, for which this court, finding the proceeding in mutation case 37689 of 21, vexatious and uncalled for. This court declared the proceeding by miscase number so and so as bad. In the conclusion, for there is no challenge to the order at annexure 6 passed by the ASO rental colony Bhubaneswar. Order ought to be, observation and direction therein ought to be worked out. This court therefore directs the Tahsildar Bhubaneswar to work out the direction by annexure 6 in strict terms of the direction therein.
Replacement.
Requisition stand dispatched according.
All are same. Other writ application also same.
All the requisitions
Mine.
for the decision taken by this court in 24541 of 23, this court find the either order for the way baki 1, 2, 3, 4 find all these cases also stand in same footing. Direction given in WPC 24541 of 23 stands applied to all such cases. All these proceedings are disposed of in terms of direction in so and so. It may be open to the petitioner to supply copy of this order along with the certified copy of order passed in WPC 24541 of 23. Yes, next.
Item 12.
May I please your lordship, my lord? I am at VC Puri, my lord. My response submission, my lord. I pray to quash the annexure 1, my lord. Running page, my lord, 6, my lord. This is being a joint field visit report relating to the unauthorized obstruction of the water channel Mauja Bharati. Because, my lord, in the general grievance petition made before the collector Puri, my lord, Collector Puri directed to make a joint inquiry, my lord, conducted by the sovereign officer.
This is in exercise of what power?
My lord, this is an allegation raised by the public.
Right, so therefore exercise under what statute?
Statute, my lord, collector, because collector inter alia content.
I am asking for statute, you go on giving lecturing. What is this?
Statute means, my lord.
I am asking, this is an exercise under what provision of law?
Because, my lord, governments hold that the land belongs to government. The having khata, 355 plots are
well prepared, unable to specific questions being made by court. Matter stand adjourned for 7 days to provide further opportunity to the council to come prepared fully. YouTube रे सुनिबे मु दुई थर कौन प्रश्न कली सुनिकी प्रस्तुत हेबे
सर सुनि दियंतु अर्जेंट मैटरटा तो
नहीं YouTube रे सुनिबे मु प्रश्नटा कौन करछि तार उत्तर धरि के आसीबे तापर मु सुनिबी
अर्जेंट मैटरटा अनु सुनि देले भलो होता
नेक्स्ट
Item 13.
प्रश्न ये समुद्र कूल रे से प्रश्न उड़ी जाउछि पवन ताको उत्तर से देई चलिबे
My lord had directed last occasion for production of the records. Records could asini ଆଉ 7 दिन पर 10 दिन पर टाइम दो
record टा केवल खाली for the sake of opportunity. If your lordship will see at page 25, the case is taken up today. On perusal of the case records, it is seen that suit land is a lease land, so the case may be rejected.
Friday जाय अपेक्षा कर दियंतु
My lord, on next hela drop.
Friday जाय अपेक्षा कर दियंतु
Additional Tahsildar will.
Actually, my learned senior wants to point out that no reasoning has been assigned, merely referring to the word lease land
and no opportunity of hearing.
Simply remand कर दियंतु
Remand है जो.
आपण कोन एक्सपर्ट भी कहउचंती
आगे मो रिमांड पे कहउछ
नहीं एक्सपर्ट भी कहउचंती
नहीं हां यस मते नोटिस दिया है मो ऑनलाइन ने फाइल करली
ताले आपन को डेट देई दोची आपन अपीयर करू तो आपन को ऑब्जेक्शन नहीं आसु डिसाइडेड टुगेदर ऑब्जेक्शन हो कोन मो तो एप्लीकेशन देई छी ओ आपन को एप्लीकेशन आगे ऑल राइट यू विल बी गिवन अपॉर्चुनिटी ऑफ हियरिंग आगे had the submission of respective objects dispute involved herein pertaining to annexure 2 a proceeding by mutation case 26489 of 22 not only decided ex parte but also without assigning of any reason. Taking this court to the final order 8922 and 9922. The Das attempted to submit. They established that in fact there has been no opportunity of hearing, and the order also appears to be without assigning any reason. So you challenge 9922 order.
My lord.
9922 order dated without assignment of any reason. Okay, Sri Ghosh, then the council though has no dispute to the manner of disposal by the order dated 9922. However, attempted to justify the order on the premises that looking to the previous recordings, it appears there has been threadbare consideration of the case. Okay, and thus request dismissal of the writ application, considering the rival contentions, this court on perusal of the while keeping in view the allegation of the petitioner that petitioner being applicant was not given opportunity of hearing on 9922, as there is no
On 89 also.
As there was no service of notice on him
Lord.
to appear in the proceeding on 9922.
On 89 and 99.
89 as well as 99. This court again on perusal of order dated 9922 also find the order is absolutely unreasoned one. For the opinion of this court, the Tahsildar being a competent authority to undertake exercise under Rule 34 of the Odisha Survey and Settlement Rules 1962, read with paragraph 17 of the Odisha Mutation Manual, has a definite role to discharge. No proceeding entertained and required to be disposed keeping in the aforesaid provision of law can be concluded without assigning any reason. Further, unless reason is assigned in disposal of such orders, there cannot be any scope for the petitioner to bring in appeal also. It is keeping this all the above in view. This court the orders dated 8922 as well as 9922 stand interfered and set aside. For there is fresh disposal, requirement of fresh disposal of mutation case 26489 of 22. This court, while directing the petitioner to appear before the Tahsildar, Additional Tahsildar Bhubaneswar on 29th of August, along with the copy of this order. The Additional Tahsildar is directed to have the fresh exercise in the disposal of mutation case number 26489 of 22 and give a lawful disposal to the same. By completing such exercise within a period of 3 months at least.
Item 14.
My
Yes,
lord,
Mr. Behra.
my lord, it is a covered matter, my lord, covered by the orders of this honorable court, annexure 4.
Page 26. Page 26.
26.
Item 15.
May I please, your lordship? Here is the inaction on the part of the Tahsildar Maneshwar in uploading the ROR in the Bulek web portal, my lord. Under annexure 3, page 18.
It is miscase registered. Annexure 5 is a miscase already registered.
Already registered. I am barambar कहूँ upload करे पे part कहूँ part करी ना हंती.
नहीं बारंबार तो से करी पार न था until unless some lawyers were put behind. आपण तो निजे जाऊँ न चले. कोटी बारंबार कोइले संबलपुर रे पूरा आपण हड़ताल करके बसते से सुप्रीम कोर्ट डिसीजन हला पर आपण माने जे कोर्ट को आइले पार्टी को भी जीवा को दो नतले कोर्ट को आ बारंबार केबे कोइले.
It's not being uploaded. There is a reason assigned. Record keeper नहीं record keeper करछंती जे कोन
lawful disposal दियो दो.
आगे
सी कहले बोले मु कहू
सी निजे फाइल करछन नहीं सी
एते दूर जाई न थांदी. so and so, this repetition involve prayer so and so. In the course of submission, it has come to notice, this court has found there is pendency of a petition of the petitioner by Danacha 5 before the Tahsildar Manesar District Sambalpur, which requires to be lawfully disposed of. Okay, in the process disposing the writ application, this court directed Tahsildar Manesar, OP number so and so, to give a lawful disposal to the proceeding at Danacha 5, but however providing opportunity of hearing to the petitioner and contest to the party likely to be affected by showing an outcome possibly within 3 months.
Item 16.
May I please, Your Lordship? Earlier, Your Lordship had directed to complete the mutation proceeding within 1.5 months. What happened now? Your Lordship can see page 79. Your Lordship can see page 79.
79.
Yes, my lord.
Yes.
Last order 29/5/23. CR is put up today. Received letter number such and such from Deputy Commissioner Cuttack Municipal Corporation regarding and WPC of such and such filed by the Tilochan and others versus Tahsildar Sadar Cuttack. It is stated that CMC Cuttack has preferred a regular fastwell bearing RF number such and such.
Finally, what he did?
He has hence the case is kept and still disposal of the RFA number such and such.
No, ultimately, what are you challenging here?
And challenging this order, my lord.
11/7 order or this order?
29/5/2023 order. Last
29/5 order you are challenging?
Yes, my lord.
But there appears there has been further order.
No, my.
This.
Hence the case.
Okay. Sorry. That is a previous order. 11/7/22. This is 2023. Is why he is waiting. He can still proceed to prepare a record of right, but in terms of subject to outcome in RFA. That's all. At the submission of respective counsels. This is in second round of litigation. In the first round, in the disposal of WPC 1147 of 23, filed by the petitioner. This court targeted the mutation. It is alleged through the order dated 24/5/23, the Tahsildar, additional Tahsildar Sadar Cuttack is not proceeding in the matter on mere premises of pendency of a first appeal, RFA number 61 of 2023. Okay, it is State Council submits. Tahsildar, additional Tahsildar maybe is of opinion, might be of opinion. Ultimately the record of right might be affected by ultimate outcome of RFA 61 of 23. Okay, considering the rival contentions of the parties, this court observed, in the event there is already decree of civil court, may be sub judice by way of appeal, unless there is a stay order on the decree involved therein in the appeal. There is no restriction in preparation of record of right, which preparation will, however, be subject to ultimate outcome in RFA 61 of 23. In the circumstance disposing the writ application, this court direct the additional Tahsildar Sadar Cuttack to move further in the mutation. It a mutation appeal na mutation proceeding.
It a mutation case.
Mutation case.
This is in mutation case.
Yes, my lord.
Tahsildar the mutation case number kahin?
Page 75. Remand hitla.
Page
75, my lord.
So mutation case number ta kon do?
Mutation appeal number 175.
Slip lekhi do, hola. And give an ultimate, give a final outcome, and such outcome will, however, be subject to final outcome in RFA 61 of 23.
So on remand of appeal remander se take up karche mutation case ta
first appeal pending achi tanu mu take up karibi are hola. by
Obligation.
completing inter exercise within a period of 1.5 months.
Obligation.
Item 17.
May I please, your lordship?
Yes.
But the petitioner challenging the illegal order passed by the Jaleshwar BDO regarding shifting of the generator from a pump house to Panchayat office, my lords. Kindly see the, my lords, annexure 4, my lords. That generator is using for non-supply of electricity, my lords. The generator is installed at the time of 2020, at the time of COVID, my lords.
When it was withdrawn?
My lords?
When it was withdrawn?
It is not withdrawn, my lord. The generator is installed in the pump house for purpose of supply of water, my lord.
Okay, then what is the grievance now?
My lord, grievance now is the BDO issue a letter to deposit the generator to the Panchayat office.
So you will be affected.
Yes, my lord. The whole Panchayat is affected, my lord.
All right, yes, Mr. Bose.
Yeah, yeah.
Mr. Bose. Yeah.
He has made a representation to the collector.
No, my lord. The representation for inquiry whether the generator is installed or not.
But you yourself have made a
Yes,
representation.
yes, my lord.
Annexure 5.
BDO को कौन करचंदी?
BDO हमारे issue letter to the petitioner to.
Where is that letter?
My lord, annexure 4, page 15. You hereby instructed to receive the generator set supplied.
Who are you?
My lord, I am the secretary of the village water supply committee.
That committee is not before your lordship.
Yes, my lord. I am the secretary.
Sange sange yes company. Try to understand. Ashok Kumar Das has come. Committee has not come. Sange sange yes marde. Committee has chi.
No, I am the secretary.
You are the secretary.
Yes, my lord. I am
You
the secretary.
still argue that the REIT is maintainable. You still argue. Yes or no? कौन बुझिपारे आपण? Your brother is pointing out a defect, serious defect. आपण ता ऊपर yes, हाँ, ये secretary has come. The repetition is intended to be brought by secretary. Perusal of the cost title, this court find this is an individual application by a person named therein. In this circumstance, the petition may not be entertainable at this stage. It is open to the petitioner to bring a fresh petition in the capacity of the secretary. Anand out a petition secretary na Anand. बुझिपारे तो cost title टा केमते हबो? सेटा ए पर्यंत बुझि ना
Committee
Yes, yes. Throw comment.
हाँ?
Throw committee लिखी.
Throw na through?
Throw.
Committee representative to secretary.
Throw na through?
Throw no, throw.
That is the petitioner is permitted to bring necessary change in the cost title by filing appropriate application tomorrow. सांगे सांगे कहले जे कहे आगा बोल हे जाईची मते परमिट करंतु मु आमेंट सेटा न कहि कि ता ऊपर आरो चलै जनी सेक्रेटरी आछि ए भूस किना पसि गेले कोर्ट रे ये अवस्था हो नेक्स्ट
Item 18.
My lord, demarcation.
proceeding pending अछि
So, my lord, annex of 3.
नहीं नहीं दरखास्त तो देइछंदी काई पैसा पत्र देलेनी की
Page 24.
सेटा के दरखास्त न तार फॉर्मेट रे देई ना
जहां परमिट कर दोचे आपण petitioner intends to have demarcation on a particular land as appearing in annex 3. This court find there is no appropriate application as the application is not neither in proper format nor accompanied with required fees.
Okay.
Disposing the petition, this court permit the petitioner to bring appropriate application before the Tahsildar Soro. Kedin anibe, sadin anibe?
Again.
Within if preferable within 7 days. In such event, the said application shall be given lawful disposal by completing the exercise within 3 months, but however, providing opportunity to the party likely to be affected. Yes.
Item 19.
May I please, your lordship. In the application, the annexure one is pending for the collector in Jashpur regarding blockage of the passage of the village.
ହେଲେ ଏଇଟା ସେ କଲେକ୍ଟର କଣ କରିବେ?
ସେ
ରାସ୍ତା ଅବରୋଧ ଆପଣ ଓପିଏଲ ରେ ଆଣୁନାହାନ୍ତି କି ଅବରୋଧ କରୁଛନ୍ତି?
ଏଇ ରିପ୍ରେଜେଣ୍ଟେସନ ଟା ଦେଲା ପରେ ସେ ଗୋଟେ ନୋଟିସ ଦେଇ ଦେଇଛନ୍ତି ଜଣକୁ ଯେତେ ଜଣ ସିଗ୍ନେଟୋରୀ ଅଛନ୍ତି ରିପ୍ରେଜେଣ୍ଟେସନ ରେ ସିଗ୍ନେଟୋରୀ ନମ୍ବର
ଓପିଏଲ ପ୍ରୋସିଡିଂ ଅଲରେଡି ଇନିସିଏଟ ହେଇଗଲାଣି
କାହା ସମସ୍ତଙ୍କୁ ଦେଇନାହାନ୍ତି ଜଣିଏ ଯାହାକୁ ଦେଇଛି ପିଟିସନ
ଓପିଏଲ କୋର୍ଟ କୁ ଯାଉ ବିଚାର ହବ ମୋ ପାଖରେ ହେଇପାରିବ
ଆମେ ସେଟା ଚ୍ୟାଲେଞ୍ଜ କରୁନୁ ଓପିଏଲ ପ୍ରୋସିଡିଂ କେ ଆମେ ଚ୍ୟାଲେଞ୍ଜ
କରୁନାହାନ୍ତି କିନ୍ତୁ ଓପିଏଲ ପ୍ରୋସିଡିଂ ସଂକ୍ରାନ୍ତରେ କରୁଛନ୍ତି ନା ନାହିଁ?
ଆଜ୍ଞା
ଓପିଏଲ ପ୍ରୋସିଡିଂ ସଂକ୍ରାନ୍ତରେ କରୁଛନ୍ତି ନା ନାହିଁ? ଯଦିଓ ନୋଟିସ ହେଇଛି ଓପିଏଲ ପ୍ରୋସିଡିଂ ରେ କିନ୍ତୁ ସମସ୍ତଙ୍କୁ ନୋଟିସ ହଉନାହିଁ
ଆଜ୍ଞା
ଏହା ତ କହୁଛନ୍ତି।
ଆଜ୍ଞା
ତେଣୁ ସେଟା ଓପିଏଲ ଆସାଇନମେଣ୍ଟ କୋର୍ଟ କରିବ ନା ମୁଁ କରିବି?
ମାନେ ମୋର ସିମ୍ପଲ ସବମିଶନ ହଉଛି କଣ ନା ଆମେ ଏଇ ରିପ୍ରେଜେଣ୍ଟେସନ ଟା ଦେଲା ପରେ ସିଏ ଆମକୁ ସେ ନୋଟିସ ଟା କରିছে ଆମେ ରିପ୍ରେଜେଣ୍ଟେସନ ଟା ଦେଲୁ 10
ନୋଟିସ କଲେ
ଆଜ୍ଞା
କଣ ଅସୁବିଧା ହେଲା?
ଅସୁବିଧା କିଛି ନାହିଁ ତେଣୁ ଆମେ ରିପ୍ରେଜେଣ୍ଟେସନ ଟା ଆଟଲିଷ୍ଟ ପ୍ରେୟାର ହଉଛି ଡିସ୍ପୋଜ ଅଫ କରିଦେ 4 ସପ୍ତାହ ଭିତରେ ଡିସ୍ପୋଜ ଅଫ କଲେ କିଛି
ପ୍ରେୟାର ଟା ଯେ ମୋ କୋର୍ଟର ମ୍ୟାଟର ଇଏ ନୁହଁ ନା।
ଆଜ୍ଞା
ଏଠି ଆସିଲା କେମିତି ଏ ମ୍ୟାଟର? ମୁଁ କହିଲେ ବି ହବନି that will be invalid order. Assignment ଆସୁଛି matter appears to be under provision of OPL Act. Therefore, direct registry to place the matter before assignment within 3 days. 3 दिन ଭିତରେ assign bench ରେ ଆସିବ।
ଆଜ୍ଞା
Item 20.
Item 20, may I please, my lords? My lords, here I have assailed the orders under annexure 1 and 2, rejecting, my lords, my conversion case filed under section 8A OLR Act on the basis of the report which is in annexure 6, my lords. My lords, may for a moment look at annexure 6 starting at page 66.
Page?
My lords, this is the report submitted by the Rourkela Development Authority. Page 67, my lords, the relevant portion.
Okay, right. After the submission of report, what happened?
My lords. Now, my lords, since this area is falls under the town area, my lords, a report in the conversion case, a report was sought for from the Rourkela Development Authority, where my lords will find the relevant conversion cases 332 and 333 at serial numbers 23 and 24. At page 68, my lords.
Yes.
My lords. My lords, here the Rourkela Development Authority simply gave a statement stating that the plot is affected by 90-meter NH 143 CDP proposal road in
Right.
CDP.
So thereafter, what happened? This
My lords.
report already submitted. What
Thereafter,
happened
on
to
basis of
8A
this report, my conversion case filed before the opposite party number 5 was rejected solely on the ground that this is affected. Vaguely, my lords. This
But there is appeal.
My lords. My
There
lords.
is appeal.
I submit to your lordships, my lords. My lords, this report does not contain
So
anything.
that can be considered by appellate authority. Why have you come to High Court?
My lords.
So go in appeal.
My lords, I have approached this honorable court for the violation of natural justice. My lords, even though I am the rightful owner, I have purchased this land through by way of a sale deed. Now, after that, mutation case has been filed.
You will be only lingering. How do you establish that this is ex parte proceeding? How do you establish this ex parte proceeding? I don't mind in remitting, but you will be only wasting your time and client's time.
My lords, may kindly direct the opposite party to consider this afresh in light of the fact that
Sorry.
that representation that
You are not making out a case, Counselor.
My lords, with your lordship's
First
permission.
of all, appeal lies. If
My
you
lords,
say that
admittedly,
natural
admittedly.
justice violated, then what is that natural justice violated?
My lords, my submission is, my lords, may kindly for a moment see the impugned order. The impugned order is at page 16.
Page?
Two mutation cases.
Page?
Page 16, my lords.
Yes,
Page 12 and page 16. Parimutti.
Order you are to show.
My lords. My lords, the order dated 29/4/2022.
Yes.
The last line says, as per RDA report, the applied plot is affected by 90
Right, so
meters.
he is justified in saying that.
My lords. My lords, but
He justified, he can't give a whole conversation.
I may be pardoned, my lords.
Say plot is affected.
My lords. But without specifying how the plot is affected, what is the nature of use, when it will be used, without specifying any of that, my
No,
lords,
he
how
says
can they
it's a plot
simply?
likely to be utilized for national highway.
No, my lords, I have taken specific pleading that the land required for the national highway is already acquired, and these lands do not fall under that area. My lords, I have taken that pleading at paragraph 11, if your lordships kindly sees. The
Then
land.
you satisfy the appellate authority. You satisfy the appellate authority because once there is a report that this plot is affected,
my lords,
he is undone. Appellate authority will also be undone. Nobody can help you. You have a measurement, fresh measurement, then go for another 8A.
My lords. My lords,
If
with
you
that
say your
observation-
land is not going to be affected,
My lords.
and the NH area is already under the government ownership,
my lords,
then you
the
have
land
a,
has been acquired.
you have a demarcation again
My lords.
to find your land is intact or not. Then go for a demarcation. Then go for a conversation.
With one small submission, if your lordship permits, I'll bring forth to your lordship a document. My lords, it clearly states that if a land is to be not converted as per the report of RDA, it has to be specified as to what purpose, what is the purpose of use of that land. My lords,
Purpose is there already as indicated by the RDA. Raulkela Development Authority has given it clear tone. It writes here, the plot is affected by 90 meters NH 143, CDP proposal road in CDP. So there is a comprehensive development plan already. Your land is already there. Sorry, we don't find. I don't find any merit. If you go for appeal, take
my
the
lords, your
right of
lordships may
appeal.
kindly permit me to file an appeal.
So wants to withdraw the writ application in order to prefer appeal. But best course will be to have a measurement and again, if possible, again go for conversion. Once you find that your land is tracked.
My lords.
ପଚାରନ୍ତୁ କିଏ ସିନିୟର କାଉନସିଲ ଥିବେ ବୁଝେଇଦେବେ ଏନଏଚ ଲ୍ୟାଣ୍ଡରେ ଯଦି ମର୍ଜ କରିଯାଇଛି ବୋଲି ସିଏ କହିକିରି କାଟି ଦଉଛନ୍ତି ତାର କଣ ଆପଣ ବେଷ୍ଟ ଅପସନ ଆସିବ
My lords.
ସିନିୟର କାଉନସିଲ ପାଖକୁ ଯାଆନ୍ତୁ କିଛି ପଇସା ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ ଡିସ୍କସନ କରିକିରି ନିଅନ୍ତୁ
My lords, I am obliged.
ଭ୍ୟାଲ୍ୟୁ ହେଲା ହଁ ଆପଣ ପାରିବେନି ଏସବୁରେ ଏଇଟା ଅପସନ ଦେଇଦେଲି ବଟ୍ ଦିସ୍ ଇଜ ନୋ ଗୁଡ୍ ଅପସନ ଆପଣ ଖାଲି ମାଗୁଛନ୍ତି ବୋଲି ମୁଁ ଦେଇଦଉଛି ବଟ୍ ଦେର୍ ଇଜ ଏ ୱେ.
My lords, one small request may I make before your lordship. My lords, may I kindly direct the state to submit what is their stance if that land is acquired.
I don't
That
find any ground to
required for
entertain.
that report, my lords, as per the report.
If you say that, I will dismiss.
No, my lords, I am just placing before your lordship. I leave it to your lordship discretion.
Sorry, you are a young council, therefore I am giving so much indulgence.
My lords.
Yes, next.
Item 21.
May it please your lordship. My lord, my representation at Annex 3 series, my lord, is pending before OP number 2, my lord.
Yes, prayer quote for the representation of the petitioner dated 2nd January 23 appears to be pending before OP
2, my lord.
To directed to be disposed in accordance with law, but however within a period of 1.5 months from the date of communication of order, along with copy of read petition.
Right. Obliged.
Item 22.
22 my state.
ନାଇଁ ସେଇଟାରେ corporation ଅଛି ଆପଣ ନୁହଁ IOL.
Yes. 22 my lord.
22.
In this case, my lord, SRP case is pending before the opposite party number 1.
Fresh admission
Fresh admission and disposal.
all the cases fresh admission.
Yes, my.
All right.
Item 23.
Lords, here the petitioners admitted dues. Ask even a question, my lords. I've given a representation. I've given similar orders that have been passed by this honorable court.
Dion.
Annexure 5 in both the matters is pending. That will be
Annexure
considered.
5, you
In
have
both the
filed,
matter.
filed copy.
Yes,
Copy.
copy of the order sheet, no.
This is the copy of order.
Yes, this order has been passed by my lords in similar matters.
Here also annexure 5.
Yes. Both the matters. Much of that.
Both the cases annexure.
Item 24.
May I please, my lord? Now, this is that Somoto Badar case which your lordship recently dealt with last week. My learned friend was appearing for the state. 2 copies I have given to my learned friend also, to your lordships also. I have furnished the copies, my lord.
Yes, what do you say? Is it covered? Covered. Oh, no. There is no dispute in part that the case is already covered by judgment of this court in number of judgments. Upon 3टा खंड ଦେଇଛନ୍ତି.
2टा ଦେଇଛି ଏବେ 2ଟା ହେଇଥିଲା ଆହୁରି ଆଗରୁ ବହୁତ ହେଇଛି.
Okay, all right. Case number so ଦେଇଦେବ number of cases considering the matter is already covered. The case stand disposed by extending. ଏଥିରେ କଣ annexure clause ହବ?
ଏଟା annexure 2ଟା clause ହବ 15 ରୁ 19 order ଟା. ସେଟା last order ଟା 19 page ରେ ଅଛି.
Okay, in the process interfering in the impugned order. ଏଠି ବି କଣ ଆଗରୁ appeal ଥିଲା?
ଆଜ୍ଞା ସେ ଲେଖିଛନ୍ତି ଯେ ସବୁ ରେକର୍ଡ ହେଇ ଯାଇଥିଲା ମତେ ସସ୍ପେକ୍ଟ ଲାଗୁଛି.
Okay, the proceeding is decided as follows. In the process, this court finds proceeding by annexure 2 is bad in law, and as an outcome, the impugned order is also not sustainable. Since involved an illegal proceeding, this court accordingly set aside the impugned order and annexure 2 here. Okay. You are sure the order is annexure 2?
Yes, your lordship.
All right. Yes, yes. Annexure 2.
Obliged.
Item 27.
25 na? 25. 25.
26.
Item
25.
25, may lordship. This
Item
matter is
25.
relating. This case is covered by this Narottam Rath and versus State of Odisha. The lordship's orders is also there. So given the pass of.
Yes. Short order. Yes.
Item 26.
26.
Your demarcation application pending.
No, that has been disposed or rejected.
That is disposed of on merit.
Yes, on merit. They have said that, but they have.
Then
by annexure 9 is the impugned order, Miller. They rejected. Lordship directed for disposal. Lordship in previous writ application has found that the dispute which
so appeal has been rejected.
Yes, they rejected. Annexure 9, Lordship directed to dispose the appeal, Miller.
Private parties are there.
Yes, Miller. Yes.
Private party
Yes,
ଅଛନ୍ତି କି?
yes, sir. Open or 4.
Okay, notice kar.
First.
This case status quo in respect of the disputed property as on date.
It's also revisable. It's also revisionalized.
ଛାଡ଼ 42 ରେ appeal କରିବ appeal ପରେ ପୁଣି revision କୁ ଯିବ ଚାଲିଥିବ.
Item 27.
Item 27, my lords. I am the owner of the property. Mutation was allowed in annexure 2, my lord. Kindly glance to annexure 2. At the bottom, mutation case number 254.
Page.
Then, my lords, the record
14.
handwritten record of right was issued.
Page 14.
Page 14, 14.
Yes.
At the bottom, mutation case.
But
Allowed and this record of right was issued. Thereafter, it should have been matters update. The Tahsildar office should update the.
This has come by way of an outcome in a mutation.
Yes, mutation case.
Right.
After that, the bullock record draft should have been corrected because everybody now is looking at that. I have requested that to update the bullock record right. Kind of a glance to Annexure 6 page 18.
Yes.
Well, 18, my name has been recorded in khata number, but no plot is being recorded at page 19. Plot number is being reflected.
Plot ro tanga pa ye kahi kisi to nahi thi.
Never plot number they na update karna koruna.
Plot number kouthi lekha habo kouthi.
Plot number pachapote jo amar record of writer khata
यार
number
पछपटे लिखा था
आगे
और पछपटे प्लॉट नंबर नहीं एरिया भी नहीं
नहीं मुझे से plot number चढ़ी ना. I requested to update it so that at least I can.
So I am adjourning it to next week.
No, Annexure 4 is pending.
4 कोटा pending है जो.
नहीं को.
हम से दरखास्त कहीं की देवे आपण प्रिपरेशन भूल करूचंदी से कहीं हैला ठीक अछि आपण डिसीजन टा Annexure 4 रे नहीं गिरी bring out the correct.
Yes.
This is harassment to citizen, ordinary citizen. They are now depending on bullets. देखिले आपण पेज 19 तो.
Yes.
तांगर पटा विषय विवरणी काई.
No, there is a noting एई खाता रे प्लॉट उपलब्ध नहीं.
हैं?
खाता रे प्लॉट उपलब्ध नहीं.
That is contrary to Annexure.
ताले कौन पे पटाटे कले कहेंगे
कौन there is a.
अच्छा ये खाता रे प्लॉट उपलब्ध नहीं बोली लिखुची.
जो देखो ना प्लॉट नंबर पास करके म्यूटेशन अलाउ करके प्लॉट नंबर कर सालेनी. वन एटी अपना Annexure 2 page 14 186 by 1145.
ताले आपण ये रे जाउना 15 रे जाउना हंती
15 दरकार नहीं क्यों. Allowed mutation allowed. Only record of right to be corrected. They are not correcting it.
So you say it is not in terms of Annexure 2.
Yes, my lord. After Annexure 2, they have to correct it. Partly corrected, the rest part has not been corrected.
So Annexure 2 टा होची जमाबंदी.
नहीं जमाबंदी नो. Annexure 2 टा होची mutation परे जो record of right टा मत हाथ रे इशू कले. तौले mutation case number.
तौले लिखिले.
आइए.
सीट तो प्लॉट नंबर लिखी जंदे.
हाँ पर प्लॉट नंबर लिखिले. खाता नंबर लिखिले 222 में 463.
के डिसीजन नंदे.
Yes.
हम कौन करिया सुनतु आपण जदी इंस्ट्रक्शन नेबे नियंतु काई एठी जदी प्लॉट नंबर लिखा हिची सेठी केमते आसीबोनी प्लॉट ना नहीं से बुल्ले घर ए माने नथिले घरे
नहीं सी घटना से जहां आपण भाबुचोदी
एग्जैक्टली हम निजे भुक्तभोगी मैं 119 को 109 कर दे आपण देलेनी इंस्ट्रक्शन नियंतु हला सुनतु टू vis-a -vis. There is serious allegation when Annexure 2 is already reflecting the plot number, khata number, etc., along with the extent of land. It's strange to observe in Annexure 6 there is no mention, there is simple mentioning of no availability of plot in this khata. This court on perusal of the document at Annexure 14 being an outcome in the disposal of mutation case 25494 of 11 finds strange in the preparation of the record of right at Annexure 6. This court directs service of 2 copies to the State Council, who is directed to take instruction as to the correctness in the Annexure 6. Pendency of the writ application shall not, however, stand on the way of the competent authority in correcting the record of right by Annexure 6 in terms of Annexure 2.
Months fixing it matters.
2 weeks after, I know.
2 weeks after.
Order proceeding करिवे ना.
किछि proceeding तो करने थे. Proceeding sorry जी सब only official process.
सेट पे observation कर देली.
Official process खाली.
हाँ.
Maybe taken up minors, London friend may take instruction, maybe taken up next.
All right, CORAM matter be placed again on.
2 weeks after थाउ.
31 तारिख रे आसीबो.
2 weeks after थाउ.
मु करबी का मॉर्गेज पकेबी अर्जेंसी अछि.
अर्जेंसी
31 तारिख रे आसु.
से बाकी व्यस्त
डाकी की देखि दियंतु रिकॉर्ड टा डाकी की देखि दियंतु जदी
म्यूटेशन खाता नंबर तो करेक्शन हेला म्यूटेशन नंबर टा करेक्शन हेला खाली तदरे प्लॉट नंबर टा भूल ले चढ़ी निकल चढ़ियो
item 28
May it please, my lord. My lord, here, my lord, Annexure 1 is the letter was issued to all Tahsildar by my lord the collector for selection and demarcation and alienation and handing over sites and lands for a new construction of sub-centers, my Annexure 1, my lord.
New construction of?
Sub-centers, welfare centers, my lord.
Okay.
Thereafter, my lord, Annexure 4, it was decided that Bisulipoda, GP, then my lord, Moja was Bisulipoda. The plot, my lord may see Annexure 4, page 20.
Which order you are challenging?
My lord, now my lord, I am challenging only the inaction on the part of the opposite parties from shifting from one plot to another plot, which is under dispute,
So
my
that
lord.
is, how can that be inaction? Illegal action, maybe.
Sorry, my lord. Sorry, my lord.
Illegal action of the
Yes, my
opposite
lord.
parties in shifting.
Yes, my lord.
Where do you find that foundation?
Yes, my lord. That foundation, my lord, is Annexure 4, page 20, my lord. It was decided to establish or construct that center at plot number 50.
So that was the earlier decision.
Yes, earlier decision.
Page
20, my lord.
20.
Yes, my lord.
Yes.
Thereafter, my lord, it was decided plot number 58, it will be constructed, my lord. And the report was also given with that.
This was earlier decision.
Yes, my lord.
January itself.
Yes, my lord.
Now what is the next?
Now, my lord, page Annexure 6, page 26. Now, without anything, my lord, without discussing any further on that particular plot, now plot number has changed, 1386. And a report was called for, my lord.
Come to page 20.
My lord.
This is proposed land for sub-center in Jangalburi GP.
Yes, my lord. GP is Jangalburi. Moja is Bisulipoda.
Next, come to Annexure 6, you are challenging.
Yes, my lord.
This is which GP?
GP is, my lord, here, my lord, Moja is Bisulipoda. GP, my 1 minute. My lord.
Jangalburi.
Yes, my lord.
This is sub-center.
This is
in Bisulipoda. Go.
Yes, my lord. Bisulipoda, Moja is Bisulipoda.
Okay, then you don't challenge Annexure 6?
No, my lord, what has happened, Annexure 6, my lord, kindly see, Annexure C, plot number is 1386. They have changed the plot number.
Right.
Yes,
so should you challenge that or not?
My lord, we challenge it. My lord, why we challenge it?
You don't mention that in the prayer.
My lord, we mention in the prayer is this, my lord, that we are challenging this very shifting of that particular plot.
Should you challenge Annexure 6 or not?
My lord.
Your contention is right. There is no issue, but you don't mention the.
My lord, that my lord will mention it. Otherwise, my lord will mention it. The appropriate.
So now, what is the position of
the
the
position
sub-center?
is, my lord, this particular 1386 plot number. There is a litigation pending. 2 suits were filed, my lord.
Who are you?
My lord, I am the member of my lord, I am the member of the Samiti Sabhya of Jalaguri Gram Panchayat, my lord, of that particular mocha. GP is Jalaguri Gram Panchayat. Now, my lord, on that very plot, litigation is pending. My lord may see the order, my lord, 2 writ petition, my lord, 2 suits, my lord. One is at page 40, my lord.
Injunction is there, but how you correlate plot number? Trial court granting injunction without mentioning plot number.
No, my lord, plot number suit page 40, we have given it, my lord.
Is 1386.
Yes, my lord. 1386.
Page 57.
Yes, my lord. Another is page 40 also.
Yes, how you come up with this project? But your attempt will stall the sub-center coming in.
My lord, my entire thing, no, my lord, we want it to happen at.
You want, but now nothing progress.
Now it is because there is a litigation pending and also an encroachment is also there on that particular land. My lord, there has to be an inquiry whether there is litigation free or whether there is encroachment
But
or
the
not.
application appears to be not properly bodied. Come to your cause title.
My lord.
Why an individual interest will be entertained?
My lord, he is
what do you find he is the?
My lord, I have given in para 2.
Para 2, but doesn't reflect in the cost item.
No, cost item ne para 2 re likhichu that he is the Panchayat Sabhya of the Jalaguri
All
Gram
right,
Panchayat.
yes.
Petitioner.
If no construction,
No, page 36. 36, there is spot visit, joint spot visit.
Page 36.
36.
Yes. Yes.
On verification of ROR, it is found that the land stands recorded in Rakhita Khata. There is no.
That yours.
There is no.
What report is that?
There is no encroachment over the suit land, and it is also free from litigation.
But nonetheless, on the same issue, a suit is pending.
Yes, 1386 plot.
1386.
Yes.
Now you have come to see page 70. That plain copy is there. Page 77 also.
Yes, ma'am. Page 40 also, ma'am.
The very same plot is already involved. This is a suit against whom? Suit against state achi.
Okay.
Page 77 dekhandu. Schedule property.
Yes. 1386.
Hal plot 1386. Same thing also appears here. Another page 70 also. 1386.
Okay.
All right, let notice go.
Right.
So notice on the question of admission, fixing short returnable date, account if any be filed within 3 weeks of service of copy. I had a notice as above as an interim, and there shall be status quo in the construction, if any, on the sub-center involved within. Yes, matter interim application be placed 3 weeks after date for further consideration on this date. Yes.
Much.
Item 29.
May I please, Your Lordship? Lordship, my most small grievance is the mutation appeal is pending before the opposite party number 2 since 2019.
Be disposed of within 4 weeks. 4
Review.
months. 4 months, but I am providing opportunity of hearing to parties concerned. Mutation appeal number which will they keep for yes.
Item 30.
30, my lord, the demarcation application, case 10 annexure 2 already pending before the OP number 3. Similar order, your lordship will pass.
Savitra demarcation case number change or
All are same, my lord. All are same.
Yes.
Item 31.
May I please, your lordship, I am for the petitioner. The conducting counsel, Mr. S.C. Samal, is suffering from cold fever and throat infection, could not able to present before this honorable court. So, short adjournment may kindly allow.
What happened to annexure 7? There has been lot of endorsements. Inquiry was already directed.
Annexure 7.
Page 41.
Yes, my lord.
Yes, what happened thereafter? Yes, I am issuing notice. You take instruction as to what happened to this annexure 7.
Lordship.
It appears representation of the petitioner by annexure 7 has already been forwarded to different authorities for appropriate instruction, inquiry and instruction. Okay, this court inclined to direct the counsel for petitioner to serve 3 extra copies on the State Council, who is also directed to take instruction as to any final outcome, if any, on the representation of the petitioner and SR7 by next date. 2 weeks forward a date.
IE ଥିଲା IE was
IE କଣ ହବ ଏଥିରେ? Injunction ସିଧା ଦେଇଦବା?
OP number 6 and 7 are trying to obstruct the
6 and
irrigation.
7 are private bodies or not?
Private bodies, my
Private
lord.
body को injunction ହେଇପାରିବନି।
No, appropriate order may kindly pass to frequently flow of irrigation.
Okay, all right. आसु देखिबा 6 सप्ताह ପରେ। 2
मैं
सप्ताह
kindly
ପରେ 2 सप्ताह ପରେ ଆସିବ।
मैं kindly pass the Tuesday
3 weeks
1 week
1 week रे आनी परिबेनी काहे आपण हैरान करछन?
urgency matter ଅଛି 1 week में kindly allow.
Urgency तो अच्छी definitely हम भी देखु जो urgency अच्छी but 2 सप्ताह हेले समय कम हबो से आउ थरे समय मागिबे 2 सप्ताह जाऊ सप्ताह हेले
urgency अछि this is the time for the plantation
next
cultivation work.
Item 32.
May it please your lordship.
Yes.
Now this is another round of litigation of the elected sarpanch. If your lordship recollects, on the last occasion, your lordship had dismissed my application by saying it is not necessary. My written statement is not necessary because the amendment to written objection is not necessary because he has pleaded something extraneous.
Which may not be relevant.
Which may not be relevant, and your lordship had directed the tribunal to see further that he has to stick to the pleading and evidence to be brought on that score only. Now, what has he done, my lord? After submission of that judgment of your lordship, I had that is page 20, page 40, your lordship's observation.
No, what is the cause of action? Now again another order has been passed.
He has called for 4 number of documents which were never part of the election petition. The election petition never disclosed any such document or the witnesses thereof. He has now on the petition of the election petitioner as well as on his own invoking section 37A of Gram Panchayat Act called for those documents and the witnesses which were never pleaded. And he has not even touched your lordship's judgment, not even the observation, nothing. In spite of the fact that this is directly stating that the election tribunal has to confine to the pleadings only. This is a very cavalier manner in which he has dealt, my lord. Your lordship may see the impugned order, if I am permitted to place. That is at page 51, it starts.
Election tribunal appears to be doesn't able to find a distinction between normal suits and the election suits.
Correct, my lord.
कौन करा जुआ के ताले?
मैंने पूरा election petition has to be very.
Okay, all right. I'll notice कर दियो. Refugees file of there shall be stay of further proceeding in election miscase 10 of 22.
Lord, here initially the writ petition was filed
Item 33.
for non-issuance of the ROR on a land settled way back in.
Right. But there is violation of High Court order.
Yes, my lord, and I am coming. My lord, way back in 1993. Your lordship directed and disposed of that they should consider and dispose of within such and such day. When a contempt is filed, they have filed an application for recall of the order. In the recall application, your lordship may kindly see, your lordship directed.
Mr. Ghosh, just what is that order violated?
They have filed a recall application. Though I have filed a counter.
This has come for what? Now this is a content application.
Contempt, and they have filed a recall in the writ petition.
Recall in the writ petition.
Recalling in the writ petition.
Writ petition has not come here. Or with writ petition has.
With writ petition has.
Okay, then what was the direction there? Just
yes.
Your lordship may kindly see order dated 22/2.
Yes, 22.2, there is direction considering the submission. Page
No.
para onward, four
Your-
onwards for
Your lordship may see 24/11/2020. What
What?
was your initial lordship's order?
What
Aye.
paragraph 4 onwards.
ନା ସେଥିରେ para 4 ରେ କିଛି ନାହିଁ 24
ନାଇଁ
11
22 ର ଯୋଉଟା recall ହେଲା ପରେ
ଆଗ
ଯୋଉ order
22 ଟାକୁ ମାଗୁଛନ୍ତି
ଆଜ୍ଞା।
ରିକଲ ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ। ସେ କାହିଁ ରିକଲ ପାଇଁ ଆସିଛନ୍ତି ଦେଖିବା ତାପରେ ଆମେ ଯିବା କଣ୍ଟେଣ୍ଟ କୁ ନା।
ଆଚ୍ଛା 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 ଏଇଠି ଦେଇଥିଲି।
Mr. Panda, you read.
Considering the submissions made by the parties and since there is serious dispute by the petitioner herein to the plea taken by the Tahsildar Lavanipada noted herein above, this court directs for redemarcation exercise for the of the plot mentioned in the land schedule at annexure 1, more particularly at page 6 of the writ petition but involving the petitioner.
Yes,
This is the direction.
this was the direction on the recall.
Pursuant to your lordship's direction, we have filed another affidavit. Your lordship may kindly see affidavit dated 27/3.
କଣ demarcation ରେ କଣ ଏତେ ଅସୁବିଧା ହଉଛି?
ସେ plot କି ସେ land ସେଠି ନାହିଁ କିଛି ସେମିତି।
93 ର
ରୁହନ୍ତୁ।
ଆଜ୍ଞା।
କଣ ହେଲା?
ସେଠି ଆଜ୍ଞା ସେ plot ଟା ଆଉ ସେ ଯୋଉ ଇଏଟା ନାହିଁ ସେଠି ସେମିତି କିଛି।
ଆଜ୍ଞା ମୁଁ ମ୍ୟାପ ଦେଇଛି ପ୍ଲଟ ଅଛି ସବୁ ଅଛି ସେ ଦେବେ ନାହିଁ 93 ର ଅର୍ଡର ଟାକୁ ହାଉ କ୍ୟାନ୍ ଦେ ରିକଲ୍ ଇଟ୍ ନାଉ ମାଇ ଲର୍ଡ they have not
So,
questioned that
Mr.
93
Panda,
order.
if you say there is no such plot,
Yes.
then the demarcation proceeding can be concluded.
Yes, my lord. They have
So
filed.
why you ask for modification of that order?
No, my lord.
I have not given any outcome. I simply said because of such and such observation, there needs a redemarcation.
ଆମେ ଦେଇ ଦେଇଛୁ ସେ ଦେଲା ପରେ ସେ ଗୋଟେ ଅବଜେକ୍ସନ ଦେଇଛନ୍ତି ସେଇଟାକୁ ଆପଣ ରଖିଥିଲେ ହିୟରିଂ ପାଇଁ
ଏଠି ହିୟରିଂ କଣ ହବ
ସେ ସେଠୁ ଖାଲି
They have to come ସେଠୁ
You
କଣ
conclude
order
that
ଟା comply
proceeding.
କରିବେ ନା?
Mr. Panda,
ଆଜ୍ଞା
don't look to him or Mr.
Your lordship's
you
order
don't
is
look
very
to-
clear.
Mr. Bose, don't look to him. Both are requested not to look into
Yes,
others.
yes.
My lord may
Only
kindly
to
see
look to me.
my
Yes,
lord may
sir.
kindly see the order dated 24/11/2020
24 11.
2022 which was the initial order passed in the writ petition. Paragraph 3 your lordship may
Just
kindly
1 minute, 1 minute. Yes, 24. Considering the submission made by the
submission
party.
made by the parties, this court observed that for there is already a clear direction through annexure 1. Correction on the record of rights become automatic unless there is a stay operating against such order. In the process, the court directs OP number 2 to work out the direction of annexure 1 by completing the exercise within a period of 1.5 months. Matlab, they will issue the ROR. So question of demarcation recalling doesn't
No,
arise.
then a miscase came.
Then a miscase is filed
Ah.
to recall your lordship's order.
So and the order is modified.
Modified.
Your
Then
lordship,
your lordship directed redemarcation.
So
Because-
so conclude the redemarcation.
We have already concluded.
Where is that order?
Your lordship may kindly see affidavit dated 27/3 annexure B/2
Annexure
B/2.
in the further miscase.
Yes, my lord. Petitioner signed in this petition, my lord.
Just 1 minute. Se to A/2 ଅଛି, B/2 କୋଉଠି ଅଛି?
Affidavit dated 27/3.
27/3 ଗୋଟେ affidavit file ହେଇଛି.
Yes, my lord. Inquiry report dated 14/3. Pursuant to your lordship direction.
Yes, yes.
B/2 your lordship.
ସେଟା ଆମକୁ ଦେଇନାହାନ୍ତି ଆଜ୍ଞା।
ହଁ ଦେଇନାହାନ୍ତି ତାହେଲେ ଆଉ।
ଦେଇନାହାନ୍ତି କଣ affidavit ଦିଆହେଇନି ତମକୁ?
କାଇଁ କୋଉଠି ବା ତିନିଟା
ନାଇଁ ଏଇଠି ଦେଇଦେଲେ ତାଙ୍କୁ ଦେଇ ନଥିଲେ।
ମତେ
ସେ
ଦେଇନଥିଲେ
ବା ସାଇନ୍ କରିଛନ୍ତି ବା ଏଇଠି
କୋଉଠି?
ଦୁବରାଜ ମହାନ୍ତ।
ହଁ।
ମତେ ଓକିଲକୁ ଦେଇନାହାନ୍ତି ଦୁବରାଜ ମହାନ୍ତକୁ
So therefore all the proceedings stand terminated.
Yes.
ଆପଣଙ୍କର ଯାହା କିଛି ଅଛି ଯଦି cause of action it is open.
No, my lord, here your lordship may see annexure 1 to the writ petition.
It's not adjudication now.
No, I am not
This
adjudicating.
court simply says it is to be re-demarcated. Now they say the re-demarcation is already over.
My lord, let them give me a copy so that I can
ଏଥିରେ ପ୍ରାୟ ଅଛି ସେଟା
କୋଉଥିରେ?
ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ ସେ affidavit ଟା ଦେଇନାହାନ୍ତି?
ନାଇଁ ଆଜ୍ଞା ଦେଇନାହାନ୍ତି।
ସେ objection ଟା ଦେଲେ କାହା ବେସିସରେ?
ମତେ ଦେଇନାହାନ୍ତି କପି।
ନାଇଁ ଏ affidavit ରେ ସେ କଣ objection file
ହଁ।
କରିବେ?
ମୁଁ ଫାଇଲ କରିନି କିଛି ଅବଜେକ୍ସନ।
Your lordship may kindly see.
ହଁ ତାଙ୍କୁ ଗୋଟେ କପି ଦେଇ ଦଉନାହାନ୍ତି?
ହଁ ମୁଁ ଦେଇଦେବି ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ।
Considering the rival
Second କରି ତାକୁ
contestations of
ହଦଉଛି।
the parties, this court find by the affidavit 27/3/23 through annexure B/2, it has been brought to the notice that there is already outcome to the demarcation proceeding involved herein. In this situation, this court find there is no cause of action in entertaining the contempt application. It is, however, observed in the event the petitioner find aggrieved by such action, it may be open to the petitioner to find other options available.
Now,
In-
1993, it was settled. They are not giving ROR money.
সেটা কোন এটাও ডিসাইড ହେଇପାରିବ unless appropriate proceeding is brought.
অর্ডার ছিল ROR টা দেବାକୁ ডিমার্কেশন টা সে কହୁଛନ୍ତି জায়গা ନାହିଁ আগে তাহলে তো ল্যান্ড টা দেবে তো 93 ରୁ সেটল ହେଇ ସାରିଲାଣି ମୋ ନାଁରେ।
Both the proceedings stand terminated. 34. 34. Yes, 34 is it past contempt?
34 already complied, my lord.
34, my lord, your lordship have a glance, the order dated 10/8/2023. Despite the order, the order that if there is no construction, there shall not be any construction.
Mr. Lenka, what was the direction in the read?
Direction to dispose of repentation.
Yes.
Appropriate decision as appropriate be taken in the matter within a period of 1.5 months. So disposal of representation.
We have already
No,
disposed
there
of.
are the interim order there.
Interim order is not
ହେଲା,
to.
ଠିକ ଅଛି interim order ଦିଆ protection ଟେ ଦିଆ ହେଇଛି ତ
Protection ଟା ଦିଆ ହେଇଛି।
ହଁ protection
So
ଟା ଦିଆ
despite
ହେଇଛି
that, my lord, they
ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ
started-
କଣ ହେଲା final outcome କଣ ହେଲା
ସେଠି କିଛି କରିନାହାନ୍ତି କିନ୍ତୁ construction ଆରମ୍ଭ
କରିଛନ୍ତି
କଲେ।
କାହିଁ where is that ଦିଅ copy ଦିଅ କଣ outcome କରିଛନ୍ତି କହୁଛନ୍ତି
ସେଇଟା ମତେ ଦେବେ।
ନାଇଁ 5202 ରେଡି
Yes, my lord.
52 content
Okay, এটা ହେଲା 21493 Yes, right. Your repentation has been rejected. That order was to continue till interim, till the final outcome in the repentation.
No, that your lordship
Had at the
passed,
submission
your
of-
lordship passed order on 10th of August. I submitted some photographs showing that they started
Mr.
construction.
Mr. Lenka, at your age, will it be appropriate to continue further?
So, my lord, now, my lord, they are giving that, after that, they have not.
Given or not?
Now they have given, man.
So should you further continue in this litigation?
No, that is that too, my lord.
Why are you submitting?
Well,
ଆପଣଙ୍କର କାହିଁ ନିଜର ଇଜ୍ଜତକୁ ନଷ୍ଟ
No,
କରୁଛନ୍ତି?
my lord,
Please,
on
ଆପଣଙ୍କ
16th, they
level ରେ
dispose of
ଶୁଣନ୍ତୁ,
this.
କହିବାକୁ ଭଲ ଲାଗୁନି।
On 16th, they dispose of this.
ହେଲା
After that,
5 ଦିନ ଡେରି ହେଇଗଲା ଜେଲକୁ ପଠେଇ
no,
ଦବ।
ମୁଁ ସେ କଥା କହୁନି ଆଜ୍ଞା, ମୁଁ କହୁନି, but after that, they have.
So
disposed.
therefore you may simply advance your prayer. Yes. Now that it is over, I'll find out my other
yes, I am
option.
challenging.
ସେତକ ନ କହିକି ଆପଣ ଆର୍ଗୁମେଣ୍ଟ କରିବାକୁ ଯାଉଛନ୍ତି। interim order ହେଇଥିଲା, continue କରିବ। What is this? In the course of submission, the Panda Learned Counsel appearing for the contempt note brings to the notice of the final outcome by the competent authority dated 16/8/23 in compliance of the direction of this court dated 13/7/23 WPC 21493 of 23. However, with service copy of such order on Sri Lanka representing the petitioner for the development shown through the instruction memo and for there is already an outcome pursuant to the direction of this court. Outcome on the request of the petitioner pursuant to the direction of this court. This court finds there is no further scope for continuing with the contempt petition which is dropped, which though dropped, this court however observed in the event petitioner is not satisfied with such action or such communication, it may be open to the petitioner to proceed accordingly.
Item 35.
So item 35, minutes. There, minutes, we got the property, minutes, fast contempt কথা নেই যে কথা হচ্ছে 75 years old person minors kind of a glass milers order. Milers directed after going through all these things, milers directed that this order should be complied with this stipulated to issue ROR only because they have already lost the case. They have come before the Hon'Ble High Court. Milers already dismissed that case. Thereby annexure 4 was my lords confirmed.
Okay, all right. Direction given, bringing necessary corrected
Yes,
records,
yes,
right,
my lord.
within a period of 1.5 months.
Months. I have
When this order was passed.
my lords, this order was passed on 15/5/2023, my lords.
Okay.
My lords, I've communicated it on 17/5/2023
But
by the annexure 3.
thereafter 4.8 there is some order.
4/8.
Ah.
4/8, my lords.
So you have taken back the annexure.
Annexure only to that
Okay, why
certified.
are you not giving an outcome?
What a copy of mobile nine.
Then copy to place this matter on 30th.
Yes.
Instruction we obtained in the meantime on the direction for direction dated so and so.
Fixing it, my lords.
30th.
30th.
Yes, it is here.
Yes, बाकी matter ଯିବ adjourn ସବୁଗୁଡାକ delist ହେଇଯିବ.
Item 37 my lord.
Orders ରେ withdrawal ଅଛି.
Lordship, item 38, there is an urgency. Very short, we need an extension of the interim order, your lordship.
It is only extension of interim order.
My lords, under the MSME council has passed an order which stay has been granted.
କଣ କରିପାରିବି କୁହନ୍ତୁ?
Well, lordship, may kindly only consider because since 2016 the stay has been granted. Now what they're doing, they're citing the surfacing case, your
So
lordship.
you take the extension. You want extension of the interim order
My lords,
only.
my lords.
Okay, all right, extension କରିଦିଅ. ଥିଲା interim order ଦେଲା lapse ହେଇଯାଇଛି.
Lordship.
Interim order has lapsed in the meantime.
No, it has not elapsed. It was a permanent interim
order on what?
He is stating the district judge in their execution case is saying that since 6 months has elapsed.
The execution case will be stayed.
Lordship. That was the interim order in fact.
This case টা ଦେଖିକିରି କରାଇ ମତେ ଦେଖେଇବ. All right.
But item 37.
It will be allowed.
Item 37.
My lord, item 36, my lord.
It can be disposed of.
ତାଙ୍କୁ ଦେଖାନ୍ତୁ copy.
हम देई दिस कॉपी देई दीजिए.
Yes, covered ହବ କି 37 ନରୋତ୍ତମ ଦତ୍ତ ମୋର ଯୋଉ 2
हां ଆପଣଙ୍କ जो
one para order ରେ ହଉଛି.
ଆଜ୍ଞା
So 37 I'll need some time to examine. Lordship may call it Friday only.
Friday he needs examination.
My lord, item 36 notice to be
39 withdraw hବ.
contempt
40 ବି withdraw hବ.
Item 41, my lord. Only item 41, my lord.
With liberty. With liberty, right.
Item 41, my lord. I have not filed the requisites in time. They have not filed the requisites. Though there is order for
18 ମସିହାରୁ requisites
my lord, I have engaged recently, my lord, because previous council
filed in the meantime, notice will be issued forthwith. Yes.
Oblige,
Matter
ma'am.
may be placed immediately after appearance of parties.
Oblige.
Item
Yes, बाकी
42.
CMAPL condonation delay ରେ
Item
ଅଛି କାଲି ଦେଖିବା.
36, my
Item
lord.
42.
42.
Right.
Item 36, my lord.
Sir, ସେଟାରେ ସେ ଯୋଉ strike period ରେ Justice Jaffrey chief justice ଥିଲା ବେଳେ ଯୋଉ strike ଥିଲା 83 days.
But limitation ଅଛି ଯଦି notice has to
ଅଛି
go.
limitation.
So
Sir,
let
ଯାଇଥିଲା-
notice go in the limitation.
Sir,
Let notice go in the
sir,
limitation.
actually main case ରେ notice ହେଇନି ସେଟା arbitration award ଟା challenge
ହେଲେ ବି ଯଦି once CMAPL ରେ limitation ଆସିଲା, I can't condone limitation. ଆପଣ କହିବା କଥା prior admission stage dismissal.
ଆଜ୍ଞା.
But here the limitation already surfaced. Notice has to go.
Kind of many
01
cases, sir, your lordship already restored lot of cases during that time. That
Restored, but without entering into any limitation.
so ସବୁଗୁଡା limitation is 83 days strike ଥିଲା your lordship members. All those cases were restored. And chief justice also directed that all
ଏଇଟା କାହିଁ ରହିଗଲା ସେତେବେଳେ?
second ଗୋଟେ by chance ରହିଯାଇଛି in fact.
ଏଥିରେ କଣ Hon'Ble Justice ଶ୍ରୀ SK ମହାନ୍ତି ଅଛନ୍ତି? ଆର ପଟରେ
Arbitrator.
arbitrator ଙ୍କ ପକ୍ଷ କରାହଉଛି?
ହବା କଥା ନୁହଁ।
କାହିଁ ତାଙ୍କ ନାଁ ରଖିଛନ୍ତି ଆପଣ?
ହବା କଥା ନୁହଁ।
ଆଉ କିଏ ପାର୍ଟି ଅଛନ୍ତି ନା?
ସେ ଆଗରୁ ହଉଥିଲା ପାର୍ଟି କରୁଥିଲେ ବଟ୍ ତାପରେ ଆଉ କରୁନାହାନ୍ତି।
Item 36, my lord.
I'm holding a wrong phone.
42.
With the CMAPL. ନା ସେତେ ନୋଟିସ କରିଦେଲେ ସେ SK ମହାନ୍ତି ତ ଆଉ ଅଛନ୍ତି କି?
ନାଇଁ ନାଇଁ
SK ମହାନ୍ତି ଆଉ ଅଛନ୍ତି କି? ସେ ତ ଗଲେ।
କହୁଛି ସେଟା ଦରକାର ନାହିଁ ଆଉ। That may be deleted.
Actually, previously party kara houthila, but after Supreme Court judgment should out kara houni.
But read petition रे other side appear करचंती.
No, sir, nice.
Yes, yes. Manoj Kumar, Ajay Kumar Raut, Lina Karma, respondent 2 by.
Application, sir.
Yes, yes, my file is showing that. I am holding the file, read petition, the arbitration appeal.
My friend was there, in fact.
There is already appearing. तांको copy दियंतु. यदि limitation copy नहीं जीवे ताले मु restore कर देवी.
Okay.
This matter day after tomorrow. In the
Day after
meantime, the counsel for the petitioner is permitted to serve copy of the limitation petition on the counsels already appeared for respondent 2 in the arbitration appeal. Okay, tapre thi lekho ye re lekho CM appeal re further order lekho. On oral request of the learned counsel, senior counsel.
Delete
petitioner, name of Justice S.K. Mahanti stands deleted. जो टिके there is some problem here. CMAPL petition kind.
472.
All right. Okay, party's position, the further opposite party's position, they appear as OP number 1 and 2. Same counsel, respondent 2 से भारत हेवी इलेक्ट्रिकल्स में अपीयर करचंदी.
भारत हेवी इलेक्ट्रिकल्स.
राइट, से भी 3 मध्ये से भारत हेवी इलेक्ट्रिकल्स.
आगे
तो तांको गोटे कॉपी दे दियंतु आनिबा डे आफ्टर.
खाली ऑफिस टा अलगा तांकर गोटे रजिस्टर्ड ऑफिस गोटे हेड ऑफिस.
डे आफ्टर टुमारो.
My lord, item 51, my lord.
Withdraw करिवे.
Item 36, my lord.
The matter will be listed next week in the order. I have filed item 44.
Withdraw करिवे.
No.
How? कौन पे मेंशन सो?
Sir, what orders I have filed and I, my lord.
एवढा सब ऑर्डर्स लिखते
This, my
अछि.
lord.
44 कौन पे अछि?
44, that is recall
Item
or
36,
modification
my
of order.
44 रे कौन पे अछि?
Again, setare already
44,
during
45, just 1 minute. 44, 45 to come tomorrow, la.
obvious.
काली के आसलो.
47, my lords.
बाकी
My lord,
hearing
item
सब
36.
And 47 का जो
51, my lord. Item 51 next week in orders, my lord.
all matters stand be listed. Liberty granted in the case of in the event there is any urgency in any
My
matter.
lord, item number 46.
Item number
How
47.
47
Item 36, my lord.
cover कर जीवो.
covered अछि.
36 notice to be
You are for
issued, my lord.
development authority.
Development
Opposite party.
authority आदि vigilance वाली पक्ष କରିବା ପାଇଁ ଆପଣ କହିଥିଲେ.
ताले 47 टा काली के आनो.
आगे.
My lord, item number 48. Can it be
Item
listed?
36, my lord.
कौन करिवा?
I am on
এটা আগে
virtual
ইনফ্রাস্ট্রাকচার
mode,
হয়ে
my
গেলানি
lord.
ମୁଁ କହିଛି ଇନଫ୍ରାସ୍ଟ୍ରକ୍ଚର ହେଇଗଲାଣି ଅଲରେଡି ଗ୍ରେଭୟାର୍ଡ ଯୋଉ
Infructuous ହେଇଗଲାଣି. ତାଲେ
ଆଜ୍ଞା।
କାଲି के आसु देखि
ଆଜ୍ଞା
दवा.
ଆଜ୍ଞା
Yes, yes.
All right.
ମୁଁ ଦେଖେଇଦେବି କଣ
जदि infructuous ହେଇछि काली देखि
My lord,
दवा.
I may be pardoned, my lord, on
Right,
virtual
not
mode,
yet
item
received.
36.
Would are not press. बाकी सब delisted.
Item 43, my lord.
item number 43
My lord, item 36, my
item
lord.
number 46 it's a covered matter
I may be pardoned, my lord, item 36.
Covered. आपण की counsel for petitioner.
council
Counsel for
Petitioner,
petitioner.
my lord.
mention, my lord.
Covered हेले तांको देखादु की अछि opposite party की.
I may be pardoned, my lord.
47 रे आपण अछंती.
Lordship, I may be pardoned.
आपण
Item
47 रे मेंशन करछन तो. हां 47 टा covered हेला काली के आसीओ.
My lord, I am on
46 my
36.
lord
46 covered.
हाँ।
कौन by which order?
Budan land
Udalland covered तांको कॉपी दियंतु देखिबा.
Lordship, I may be pardoned. Item 49.
मेमो दियंतु तांको. It is covered.
they have already
If
appeared in the case.
It is covered, it will be listed.
They have already appeared in the case and they have also filed counter.
Lordship, item 49, my lord.
I may be pardoned, my lord, item 36.
Lordship, may take
Sorry,
up.
ମୁଁ ତ ଏତେବେଳେ ବସିବା କଥା ନୁହଁ.
Next week, your lordship may say any.
Please help me.